Shruti R, Pooja, and Kangana. So thank you so much for confirming. On this note, let us move ahead and let us get started. First of all, guys, I would like to welcome you that you decided to upscale yourself, upgrade yourself in this 2 days live hands-on webinar. A very, very big congrats to each and every one of you. And now on this note, let us move ahead and let us get started. Beyond this, guys, I would also like to tell you that it is a beginner friendly webinar, right? That means right from basics, right from scratch, we are going to learn and upskill ourselves from. And again, we are going to build a end-to-end project for ourselves as well that you can include in your resume, that you can include in your job profiles. And it's a live webinar. That means you can interact with your mentors on one-to-one basis. And I am more than happy to guide you and assist you as well. Okay. So again, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you guys. On this note, let us move ahead. And first of all, I would like to quickly share my screen and show you what all bonuses you are going to get on completing this masterclass. So guys, JobAj Learning provides a lot of bonuses to their students who complete the learning till the end. The first bonus that students are going to get on completing the learning is going to be a 1 year free case study subscription from JobAj Learnings. So JobAj Learning provides a lot of case studies to their students who complete the learning till the end. And for 1 year, you are going to get free case studies over here, guys. And these are all analytical based case studies that will help you in building the analytical mindset. These case studies are worth 10,000 rupees and it will be provided as a bonus to all the serious participants who will stay till the end with me. Okay. Apart from this, guys, the second bonus that you are going to get will be on jobajlearnings.com. Jobaj Learning is our learning portal. I hope most of you already have heard about it. We are one of the top 5 portal operating in the country right now. And we host multiple job oriented programs as well by multiple mentors. And I am going to be your chief mentor for today. And guys, on this portal, the second bonus that we are going to have is going to be Excel essential formulas and function. Excel essential formulas and function is a bonus module which will be provided to our students who will complete the learning till the end. It contains 80 plus functions and formulas. It contains 25 plus lecture, 25 plus lecture worksheets, and 3 premium ebooks as well from where you can upscale and upgrade from, right? Along with this, guys, you have got structured learning over here. As you can see, you have got full lifetime access and a certificate of completion as well on completing this Excel program, which is worth 1499. The third and last bonus that students are going to get over here will be Turbocharge LinkedIn program. Turbocharge LinkedIn is a program which is created so that we can work on our LinkedIn skills. It includes a lot of hacks, tricks, and tips that will give you a deeper understanding of how LinkedIn works. Apart from this, whether you are a student, job seeker, working professional, business holder, all of us are equally eligible to build a strong LinkedIn profile for ourselves, guys. You have got full lifetime access, you have got a certificate of completion as well, and you will learn effectively how to optimize your LinkedIn profile end to end with the help of this program. Okay, this program is worth 1999, right? And it will be provided as a bonus to our students who will complete the learning. Okay. Apart from this, guys, it's a certified webinar. You will be eligible for certificate of completion as well on completing this live hands-on webinar. You will be getting some notes, some ebooks, and some additional files as well for you to work. Okay. Apart from this, guys, super glad to tell you that right now we have got 180 plus participants live with us already. Okay. And since it's a webinar, we cannot see the number of participants. That is why I have taken a quick screenshot over here. And as you can see, we have got around 185 participants live with us already, which is a very good thing, guys. And let us learn as a family in this particular masterclass. And let us make sure we make the most out of this webinar. Apart from this, guys, feel free to interact with me in the chat section. To the best of my capacity, to the best of my knowledge, I am going to help you and guide you over here. Okay. Along with this, guys, I would like to give you some time so that you can get yourself ready. I would like to give you around 50 seconds so that you can quickly go get a piece of pen and paper for yourself, get a glass of water for yourself as well, so that you can sip in between and stay hydrated. And then we are going to move ahead. Okay. So quickly get yourself ready. All right, guys, 35 more seconds are remaining. Okay. So 25 more seconds are remaining, guys. Quickly get yourself ready. And then we are going to move ahead. Okay, that's great. Lata is ready. P. Harish is ready as well. Other students also quickly get yourself ready. Does Power BI differ from financial modeling? No, financial modeling is different thing, right? Financial modeling is separately different thing. Power BI is for analytics, Krishna, right? Data analytics. All right. That's great, guys. Harish, Arun Kumar, Ravi Kumar, and Durga. And we have got Mutu Kumar as well. Okay, today what we are going to discuss on Power BI. We are going to build end-to-end project. I will show you the roadmap of the discussion as well. And on this note, guys, let us move ahead. Time is up. So I hope you are ready now. And now let me quickly open the roadmap of this particular webinar, right? What are we going to learn in this particular masterclass? It is important for us to understand that. Welcome you all in this data and business analytics live hands-on webinar in specialization with Power BI and ChatGPT. Power BI is the number one business intelligence tool available in the market, guys. ChatGPT is the number one AI tool available in the market. Okay, so we are going to learn both of these tools. We are going to have practical hands-on learning on both of these tools as well. And my name is Rakshit. I am the Director of Analytics Department under JobAj Learning. Welcome you all again, guys, in this live hands-on webinar. Okay. Now let us start with the roadmap of this particular masterclass. This is going to be your roadmap. So first of all, guys, we are going to spend some time in understanding the fundamental concepts in Power BI. Like what is Power BI? Why do we need Power BI? Right? What are the use case of Power BI over here? What are the other important tools and technologies we need to learn to get into the analytics domain? Right. Apart from that, what are the industrial use case of Power BI? So first of all, we are going to spend some time in understanding all these fundamental concepts so that we understand the basics. After this, guys, we are going to have practical hands-on learning as well. I'm going to give you Amazon raw data set. We are going to understand that data. We are going to clean that data with the help of ChatGPT. Okay. So we will write effective prompts on ChatGPT and we will do our extensive data cleaning over there. All right. And then, guys, we are going to feed that data on Power BI, which is the number one business intelligence tool. And we are going to build a dashboard on Power BI as well. End-to-end dashboard we are going to build for ourselves that you can include in your resume, in your job profiles also. Then I will show you that there are a lot of AI powered feature, a lot of AI powered charts trending in the market. So how can we integrate those AI powered charts in our dashboard? We will learn about that as well. Okay. And on day two, guys, we are going to have extensive learning on SQL, structured query language. SQL is yet another very important skill for us. It's a mandatory skill if you want to get into the analytics domain. So practical hands-on based learning on SQL we are going to do. Okay, it is going to be a task-based learning for us. And then we are going to have a lot of additional learning, guys, in terms of real-time job analytics, in which we will check how many jobs are there into the analytics domain, how many jobs are there for freshers, how many jobs are there for experienced professional, what kind of skills HRs are looking for. Then we will be having a analytical based resume session where I'm going to show you my resume so that you can take some inspiration. Then I'm going to show you my own project based portfolio where you will get an idea what are some websites that we can choose to upload our analytical based projects. And at the end, guys, we are going to have a live Q&A session, live questions and answer session where you can ask any question to me extensively. I'm going to answer all your questions one by one. This is going to be your roadmap to make your weekend super duper productive. I hope you are excited to learn all these things along with me, guys. I am super excited to teach you all these things. So on this note, let us move ahead. Okay. All right. Now, guys, the next thing is I am going to introduce myself to you as well. So my name is Rakshit. I am a data enthusiast who loves teaching and mentoring, right? Along with this, I am a Microsoft certified data analyst. I am Microsoft certified PL 300 certified Power BI data analyst associate. I am Tableau desktop specialist, 98381 Microsoft technology associate, HackerRank SQL gold medalist, trained 4,200 plus learners across the analytics domain who directly upscale and upgrade under my mentorship. Along with this, guys, I have written a research paper, Autonomous Book Sorter System, which got published in researchgate.net. I have worked with companies like PwC, PepsiCo, Uno Minda, Cargill as a analytics consultant with a cumulative experience of more than 7 years into the analytics domain. Okay. And this is my brief background. At the end of the masterclass, I will also show you on how you can replicate my portfolio, what kind of skills you can target to replicate my portfolio end to end over here. Okay. All right. So now, guys, let us start. And before we do that, I quickly want you guys to drop a yes in the chat section as a token of promise that yes, we are going to stay till the end. We are going to stay attentive. We are going to stay interactive throughout the webinar, and we will maintain the community guidelines in the chat section, right? So we have got over here Lata, we have got Ishu, Bila, Akash, we have got Kangala, Misbah, Rinki, Bhagyodaya, Vaishnavi, we have got Onkar, Sunil, Maithili, Swati, Subhashri, Anjana, Jayakant Sin, we have got Professor Hani Chawla, P. Harish, Omkar Pardeshi, we have got Swarna Lakshmi, Mohan Kumar, Bestin, Jibisha, and other students as well. So thank you so much, guys, for confirming. And on this note, let us move ahead and let us maintain the same energy till the end. All right. Okay. Now let us have a brief introduction on Power BI. Why do we need Power BI, right? Now, guys, understand even before Power BI, let us have a brief discussion on Microsoft Excel. So all of us have worked on Excel, right? Whether you are students, working professional, career dropouts, anyone in general, all of us have worked extensively on Microsoft Excel, right? And what is the purpose of Excel, guys? Excel is used to store your data. Excel is used to clean your data. You can clean your data as well. It is used to filter your data. It is used to model your data. It is used to visualize your data. So Excel is a full-fledged data analytics tool, right? And whatever data analysis you want to do is possible in Microsoft Excel. But understand, guys, Excel is not a big data tool because Excel can only handle 10 lakh rows. Okay. It cannot handle more than 10 lakh rows. And 10 lakh rows is not a very big number. 10 lakh rows is generated just in one day, specifically in e-commerce sector, FMCG sector. It is generated in few days in supply chain sector, few weeks in healthcare sector. So 1 million is not a very big number out there that we cannot surpass. And Excel is not able to analyze more than 10 lakh rows. And that is where big data tools like Power BI comes into picture. Power BI is a big data skill. It's a tool which is used to analyze millions of rows simultaneously, guys, right? For example, right now the project I am working upon is having close to 29 million rows. And again, tools like Power BI are able to handle that very easily without any delay or without getting crash. Okay. So I hope you understand that this is the first difference between Excel and Power BI, right? We have got a lot of other differences as well that we will explore once we start learning. But again, the first difference is Excel is limited to the number of rows. Okay. Now, guys, let us also understand some functionalities of Power BI. So first of all, understand that your big data, your huge amount of data, exponentially growing data is stored in different location, right? Your big data can be stored in SAP. Your big data can be stored in Salesforce. Your big data can be stored in AWS. Your big data can be stored in Azure. It can be stored in Google Sheet. Your data can be stored in Excel also, right? So you will see that your big data, huge amount of data can be stored at multiple locations. Okay. And if you have not heard about these names, that is fine. These are just the name of databases, right? In general. Now Power BI has got 60 plus data connectors so that it can connect to different type of data sources and it can extract the data, right? That is the first important thing that we have got to extract the data from different database, from different type of data sources over there. Okay. And Power BI has got specialized data connectors for that. All right. So I hope you understand that. And guys, once you extract the data, once you have the data, then Power BI can also filter your data. Power BI can also clean your data end to end. Okay. Because you cannot work on garbage data. You have to make sure that you transform your data. You prepare that data. Okay. Because you have to analyze clean data. Your data should be ready for analysis. So again, your data cleaning, your data filtering, data transformation, everything can be done in a single tool, which is Power BI, right? And guys, once your data is extracted, the next step is to summarize that data, because you cannot analyze the data in the form of rows and columns. You have to summarize that data in the form of beautiful visualizations, right? So Power BI offers us 50 plus visualization techniques, whether it is clustered bar chart, whether it is hierarchical donut chart, whether it is pie charts, whether it is line chart, tree map, area chart, and so on. You can summarize your data effectively in all these different type of visualization, so that your business, your clients can understand their data better. After this, guys, you can combine all the visuals and build a dashboard as well. Okay. So dashboard is basically collection of visuals and filters, right? So you can combine all the visuals at a single place, which is known as a dashboard. And one such dashboard we are going to build in this particular masterclass also. And Power BI is a product of Microsoft. And there are a lot of AI powered features available in Microsoft. Next generational analytics available in Microsoft as well. And hence Power BI offers a lot of AI powered capabilities. It offers a lot of advanced charts, advanced visuals capabilities, right? So I will be showing you such advanced visuals in this particular masterclass also, so that you can get some idea. And at the end, guys, Power BI is a great tool for data storytelling. Okay. So as a good analytical professional, you have to tell a good story with the help of your data as well. For example, my sales is maximum in the South region driven by Bangalore. Electronics is my top categories. Home appliance is my second top category. This is my month over month growth, year over year growth, and so on. So you can tell a good story, and then you can tell some recommendations to your clients as well. Okay. So these are some end-to-end functionalities which is available in Power BI, guys, that we can achieve. All right. Apart from this, guys, Power BI has been ranked as the industry leader by Gartner in business intelligence and analytics platform. Gartner is a billion-dollar research and consulting firm. Whatever study is released by Gartner is taken very seriously by the companies, right? And they have been ranking Power BI as the industry leader from the last 10 years into the analytics domain. Along with this, guys, there are more than 1,27,000 job openings posted on Naukri.com, 5,200 plus posted for freshers as well, right? And we will validate all these numbers for Power BI when we will do a real-time job analytics on Naukri.com. Apart from this, Power BI as a tool is estimated to be worth $2.18 billion with a CAGR growth of 13.6%. Any industry, any tool, any technology which is growing beyond 12% is considered a highly exponentially growing skill, and Power BI is one of them. Apart from this, guys, LinkedIn also release a list of important skills every year, because they have got a lot of job data. So they know what kind of jobs are trending in the market. And they have ranked Power BI as one of the most in-demand skill for 2023 also. Okay. Along with this, if you are a fresher and if you have professional certifications in Power BI, right, then you can earn an average salary of 8 lakhs per annum. If you have some experience, again, it can be much more than this as well. Okay. So these are some features and functionalities of Power BI that I wanted to discuss initially as a part of this program, so that you get some idea. Of course, we are going to have practical hands-on learning as well, but this is a brief introduction. I hope you understand this, guys, and feel free to write some notes and feel free to take screenshots as well wherever necessary. Okay. All right, so let us check to some questions as well. So we've got a question from Bijendra. What about data security if we work through Power BI? Is it safe or no chance of data siphoning? No, no, no. Power BI is absolutely secure. All your data is encrypted in Power BI, right? And you have proper authentication methods in Power BI as well. And only logged in users can check the data. And you can control that also, that which user should see how much data. For example, Anil should see only United States data. Manoj should see only Delhi level data, right? Or Avantika should see only Bangalore level data. So we can control the data security and data privacy as well in Power BI. Okay. All right. How can I practice? So we are going to have a end-to-end, dashboard building as well. Don't worry on that, right? Onkar. So right now we are in the theoretical learning phase, right? Where we are getting a brief idea about the analytics domain. Okay. All right. Can we link other programming languages with Power BI? Yes, you can link. You can write your Python as well in Power BI. You can write DAX as well in Power BI. You can write R as well in Power BI. You can write M code as well in Power BI. It's a complete tool, guys, where you can do end-to-end data analysis. Okay. All right. Now, guys, let us move ahead and let me give you an idea that what are the different job profiles that we have got. Okay. That we can apply for if we have Power BI as a primary skill for ourselves. So, guys, there are a bunch of job profiles that we can apply for. For example, we have got data analyst. Data analyst is one of the most prominent job opening of 21st century, right? With 60,000 plus job openings, 2,350 plus for freshers as well. And as I told you, all this data is taken from Naukri.com. Okay. Then we have got business analyst as well. A lot of students usually ask me the difference between data analyst and business analyst. So let me very briefly cover over here, guys, the differences. So understand, guys, that both are, analytical job openings. And around 95% of the task that a data analyst do, a business analyst will also do that. For example, data extraction, data manipulation, data modeling, data filtering, data visualization, and so on. Both of these professionals are going to do that. And understand that both are interchangeable job roles, right? For example, a requirement of a data analyst can be from a business analyst as well. Okay. Apart from this, guys, understand that business analysts are also associated with business behind the data. Okay. That is some difference that we have got. So business analysts are professional, which are also responsible to understand the business behind the data. Okay. They try to find out that how my insights are going to help the business stakeholders at the end. All right. That is also important. What kind of business use case we can form with the help of this data analytical solution. Okay. So they try to understand the business behind the data as well. Whereas data analysts are professionals who are more inclined towards implementation of the solution. They get the solution implemented, right? However, as I told you, both are the domain of analytics and both are interchangeable job roles. Okay. Then, guys, we have got data scientists. Data scientists are also analytical professional. They also analyze, transform, clean model data. But in addition to this, they might do some advanced analytics as well. They might build some prediction models as well. They might build some forecasting models as well. These are some advanced analytics that we can achieve, right, with the help of tools like Power BI. Okay. All right. Now, guys, okay. So I hope you understand that, guys, these are different type of job openings that we have got over here. Okay. Now, guys, along with this, we have got dashboard and visualization specialist as well. Okay. So dashboard and visualization specialist is also a field of analytics where you specialize in building dashboards, where you specialize in visualizations. Okay. Now, guys, along with this, we have got business intelligence specialist. For example, we are learning Power BI. Power BI means BI stands for business intelligence. Okay. Business intelligence is also a field of analytics. We have got more than 65K job openings, 2,500 plus for freshers as well over there. Okay. In case you are targeting companies like PwC, EY, KPMG, Deloitte, BCG, Bain, McKinsey. So over there, we have got analytics consultant and analytical associates. Then, guys, we have got Power BI developers over there as well. Power BI developer is also an analytical job opening, right? Who analyze the data in specialization with Power BI. So these are different type of job profiles which are available for us over here. And again, don't be obsessed with a single job profile that no, I will only apply for data analyst or business analyst or data scientist. See, all these job profiles are more or less similar, right? The skills, the tools, the technologies, the pay, right, is almost more or less same in all these job profiles over here. So you can diversify your job search experience in case you want to get into the analytics domain. Okay. And there is no educational background barrier to get into the analytics sector, right? For example, I am from electronics domain, guys, and my mentor is from mechanical domain. And I have got bunch of students from mechanical domain, electrical domain, BCA domain, BCom, BSc, HR domain, right? Career gap as well, students who have transitioned their career into the analytics sector. So all of us are equally eligible to be a part of it. All right. And there is no educational qualification barrier to get into that. Don't worry on this. Okay. Apart from that, if you have certain educational background, you can use that also to get into domain specific analytics job role. For example, if you are from BCom domain, right? And you're going to see that if you are from BCom domain, you can go for financial data analyst job profiles as well, right? Financial data analyst are the job profiles which is used to analyze financial data. Again, they will be using tools like Power BI for that. But they will be analyzing financial data specifically because they have a specialization in finance. For example, they are from BCom domain. So they understand the financial data much better, right? Similarly, we have got supply chain data analyst. We have got sales data analyst, HR data analyst, marketing data analyst, healthcare data analyst. These are different type of job openings that we have got available for us. And these are all domain specific job roles, right? Again, equally high in demand, where you can use your domain experience, educational experience, to get into domain specific job roles. All right. So I hope you understand this. These are different type of job roles that we have got. If you want to take some screenshot, you can do that as well. Okay. So let me check. Dashboard and visualization specialist comes under, yes, it is all under analytics domain. Okay. So if you are from events background, Ravi Kumar, then you can switch your career by learning the right skills, building the right portfolio, building the right resume, right? Getting the right mentorship, doing the right projects, getting the right referrals, and so on. Okay. So this way you can switch your career successfully. All right. So I hope you understand this, guys. And now I'm going to give you some perspective learning that how analytics is used in different domains, in different industries altogether. So you're going to see that we have got tools like Power BI and data is getting generated in all the domains, in all the sectors altogether. Okay. And you're going to see that over here, tools like Power BI are used in finance domain, right? For financial data analyst. Financial data analyst analyze financial numbers. For example, we have got NOBIT, net operating profit before tax. We have got operating cash flow. We have got profit after tax. We have got contribution margin and so on. So you are going to see that we have got a multiple important numbers that are available for us that we need to report to the business on quarterly level, monthly level, weekly level. And earlier, all this work was done on Microsoft Excel. But now, guys, since the data is increasing at a very rapid pace, tools like Excel is not sufficient. And that is where tools like Power BI comes into picture, right? Again, we have got healthcare data analysts who analyze healthcare data, who analyze patient level data. Multiple research institute, MNCs, hospital chains hire healthcare data analysts, right? For example, they might build some prediction analytics as well for their patients. For example, a particular patient who is 42 years of age, having a average insulin level of 120, thyroid level of 20, is male, is more likely to have blood pressure issues when they will go to 45 years of age with 90% chances. So if you have this much amount of data with this much accuracy, right? So it will be very helpful for the patient level as well. Along with this, guys, we have got banking analytics. Every bank, you can take an example of any bank out there, will be having a dedicated analytics department for themselves. For example, we have got American Express. American Express is in the business of giving credit cards to their customers. And guys, since they are giving them credit cards, they are also giving them money. And wherever money is involved, banks have to be very cautious that their money is getting used in a proper way. There is no money laundering happening. There is no tax evasion happening, right? For example, recently you have seen an example of Paytm banks which got banned because of money laundering allegations, right? So every bank will have dedicated analytics department who analyze the transaction level data for their customers. Then, guys, we have got supply chain data analyst, right? Supply chain data analysts are professionals which are used to analyze supply chain level data. Especially after COVID, the demand of supply chain data analyst grew exponentially. right? And you're going to see that they analyze real-time supply chain data, for example, manufacturer data, wholesalers data, retailers data. This is what they analyze, right? And they help business in taking real-time supply chain decisions. Then we have got marketing data analyst. Multi-million dollar marketing campaigns are run on platforms like Meta, YouTube, Google, Gmail, right? And you're going to see that they analyze the data behind these marketing campaigns. Okay. So for example, they analyze customer acquisition cost, they analyze return on investment. These are some important numbers which will help business in understanding in which campaign they should put in more money. Then we have got sales data analyst, people who are from sales domain and are certified into the analytical skills, right? So what they do is they might do some prediction analytics. They will churn the data, they will analyze the data to understand what kind of sales you will have in the next 3 months. Along with this, guys, they might also do some classification analytics. They might classify their customers as well. For example, a particular customer who is male, is 32 years of age, is married, having two children, is more likely to buy a health insurance because they are worried about their family, isn't it? So this way they might segregate the customer which are high potential customers for them. Okay. Apart from this, guys, we have got HR data analysts, people who are from HR domain, and HR data is also growing at a very rapid pace in almost all the organizations. They analyze important numbers like attrition rate, retention rate, cost per hire, and so on. Then we have got logistic analytics, right? Companies like FedEx is hiring into that. We have got manufacturing analytics, companies like Minda is hiring into that. Sports data analysis companies like Hotstar is hiring into that, and so on, right? So you are going to see that we have got a bunch of different level of domain specific job openings which are available for us. And again, you can use your domain experience, guys, to get into these domain specific job roles. Along with this, as I told you, you can get into core analytical job roles as well, like data analyst, business analyst. Then we have got again analytical consultant, associate data scientist, and so on. Those are core analytical job openings that you can go forward with as well. Okay. And these are some use case of industry specific job openings. Okay. So I hope you understand that. We have got a question from Gaurav. I'm doing MBA in marketing, so you can go for senior marketing data analyst job roles as well. One of my student, her name is, I'm forgetting her name. I think it is Kavya. She got placed as a marketing data analyst in Deloitte, Australia. Right. So again, you can use your educational background as well. Okay. So I hope you understand that, and feel free to write some notes for yourself, guys. All right. Now let me move ahead and guide you that what are the tools that you can use to get into the analytics domain. So guys, again, uh, you will see that Power BI is a great skill, right? So you should definitely learn Power BI. But along with Power BI, what are the other skills that you can learn to get into the analytics domain? So you're going to see, guys, that we have got Tableau. Tableau is the number one data visualization tool. It's a number one dashboarding tool. So if you are serious towards building a career into the analytics domain, which I highly recommend you should, again, Tableau is a great skill that you can master. Okay. Of course, we have got Power BI. Power BI is a number one business intelligence tool available in the market, right? So both are super high in demand. I have worked with four MNCs till now, right? Which is PepsiCo, PwC, Uno Minda, Cargill. And all the four MNCs are using both Tableau and Power BI in their ecosystem. Then guys, we have got Microsoft Excel. Excel is a great tool and you cannot ignore Excel at any cost. You can do all the type of data analysis in Microsoft Excel, right? So make sure that you learn end-to-end Excel as well for yourself, okay? There are a lot of analytical concepts in Excel like pivot table, Power Query, Power Pivot, lookup, indexing, analytical formulas and functions, right? That you can master for yourself, okay? Apart from this, we have got SQL, guys. SQL is a number one database language. So your data is stored in a database. To interact with the data, we need a language, and that is SQL. On day two, we will learn end to end about SQL as well. But again, guys, SQL is a fundamental skill that we should learn. Okay. Along with this, we are living in the era of AI. There are a lot of AI tools. For example, we have got Chat GPT. For example, we have got Gemini. For example, we have got Copilot. Okay. And if you can master these AI tools, it will help you immensely, guys, in growing your career. And it will separate you from the crowd as well. So make sure you become AI workforce ready. Along with this, guys, there are some add-on skills as well. For example, we have got Python can be a good add-on skill. For example, we have got NumPy, we have got Pandas, we have got Looker Studio, Matplotlib, and so again, there is no end to add-on skill. You can learn as many add-on skills as you want, but first of all, learn the mandatory skills so that you are job ready, you are industry ready. Okay, and these are the mandatory skills in front of you. So I hope you have taken note for this as well, guys. And this ends our theoretical learning into the analytics domain, because after this we are going to start with our practical hands-on learning over here. Okay, so I'm going to give you some time to settle down. Maybe I'll give you around 1 minute to settle down, and after that, guys, we are going to start with the practical hands-on learning as well. Okay, so let me check some questions till then. PCX need to read a lot, look at annual report to see how it works. That is right, right? That is right. They have to do that. Okay. Along with this, I am from BCom background. Am I eligible? Yes, you are eligible for core analytical job roles as well. Along with that, you are eligible for domain specific job roles as well. For example, financial data analyst. Okay. I have got students Vinay Kumar, Pratham Bansal who got placed as financial data analyst. Okay. Apart from that, I am from mech background. I have got students as well from mech background, guys. I've got Dharmesh Thutar from mechanical domain. He got placed in Limbudi fashion as a data analyst. All right. So again, all of you are equally eligible. I am from healthcare. Again, healthcare is also fine, guys. As I told you, you can use, there's a lot of patient level data which gets generated on daily basis. So in hospital management, right, we use healthcare data. For prediction, we use healthcare data. Right. So you are perfectly eligible. You can use your background as well. So guys, either you can use your educational background or you can basically get into core analytical job openings, or you can switch your career or start your career into core analytical job openings as well. Okay. So I am from EC background. I am also from EC background, Mithili. Again, perfectly eligible. There is no educational background barrier. And Rinki, if you are from BBA domain, I will highly recommend you that you start learning and upskilling yourself into exponentially growing skills, right? And again, Power BI is one of them, because after BBA, you will not get exponentially growing opportunities, right? Okay, will it help me who's a retired person from FMCG? In FMCG, most of the data gets generated because it is fast moving consumer goods. Most of the data gets generated over there, right? In fact, 1 million rows is generated just in one day, specifically in FMCG sector. All right. CS student, you can go for senior financial data analytics job roles as well, Nisha. All right. I have any of the skill like Power BI. Am I eligible? You are eligible, but I would recommend Durga, at least you learn these mandatory skills. It will help you a lot. Financial data analyst, first of all, you have to be from finance domain, right? Issue, you have done something in the finance domain. For example, you are from BCom background, commerce background. Then along with that, you need to be certified into the analytical skills. Okay. MBA backgrounds, again, if you have done MBA in marketing, you can go for senior marketing data analyst. If you have done MBA in HR, you can go for senior HR data analyst, Naveen Raj. Okay. Again, you can, Krishna, go for financial data analyst job openings in investment banking. Also, a lot of data is analyzed, right? I have hands on Excel. Does it? So if you have hands on in Excel, again, your data will definitely increase and grow in size. At that point of time, you would have to upgrade yourself into big data skills like Power BI, like Tableau. Okay. Pharmaceutical, you can go for healthcare management, analytical job roles as well. In fact, I have got students from civil domain also, Mayur. I have got Vinay Kumar. He's from civil comma sales domain, and he got placed as analytical project manager. Okay. Again, you can use your experience as well. You can use your teaching experience as well, because there are openings for tutors as well into the analytics domain, Manish, right? So you can use your experience also, and you can go continue teaching background itself into the analytical domain. A lot of edtech platforms need that. Okay. Okay. Apart from that, commerce background, I have a decade of experience in corporate banking. Will I have but I have a career gap looking for traditional banking domain. Will this help me? So again, if you have a career gap, Swati ji, don't extend your career gap unnecessarily. I would recommend you that you focus upon the skills and start learning and start upskilling. Don't extend your career gap unnecessarily over there. If you are from commerce background, banking background, again, every bank have dedicated analytics department. You can check for your bank as well. You can go for internal job postings as well, right? Again, if you have the right skills. Okay. CMS students, again, cost management accountant, you can go for financial data analyst job roles, even senior financial data analyst job roles. Yes, you are perfectly eligible, Siva Satya. You can go for some virtual internships. It will help you a lot. Okay. So I hope you understand, guys. And now let me do one thing. Let me also quickly guide you, since I'm getting a lot of similar type of questions. Yes, that is perfectly fine. I am also from ECE domain, Dharani. Don't worry on that. Okay. since I'm getting a lot of similar type of questions, just to quickly show you, we have got bunch of students from different domains, guys. For example, this is Jobage Learning YouTube, and you're going to see that over here we have got bunch of students from different domain who have transitioned their career into the analytics sector, right? For example, over here we have got Shivam getting placed in the Lupa, right? We have got over here Rishi, who got placed as a data analyst, right? In Gurgaon he got placed. We have got Sahiba, who cleared 8 rounds of interview to become a data analyst, and she's working for Wipro in Bangalore. Apart from this, we have got Kavya, marketing data analyst in Deloitte, Australia. Abhinaya, placed in HR analytics and project management analytics in Kotak Mahindra Bank. We have got Akshay, right? Again, from sales background to operations background to data analyst. Along with this, guys, we have got Darshan, who got placed, who took a career gap, and after that, he bridged his career gap with the right projects and right mentorship. Along with this, we have got Yash, we have got Deep, Danesh, Hafsa Wahab from research domain to a data analyst, right? Along with this, we have got over here Shri Santi. She got placed in Wood Mackenzie as a data analyst. We have got Julie, we have got Sandeep from PhD domain to a data analyst over there, right? Along with this, we have got data consultants as well, sales, comma, customer support domain. This is Manikanta. Along with this, guys, we have got again over here Shubham from BCom to financial data analyst, Rakesh from BSc to data analyst in Chennai. He got placed. Abhinav from he got placed as a business intelligence specialist, right? In construction specialities. So this way we have got bunch of students from different background. BCom, career gap to a data analyst, Vinay Kumar. Nikhil and Rishabh Rathod getting placed as junior data scientist, and so on. These are all our previous batch student, right? And again, we post success stories of all our students. So as I told you guys, all of us are equally eligible, and there's a huge demand as well. Markets have also started to recover. It's a right time for you to upskill, upgrade yourself, which you are doing. So it's good, right? And don't worry, at the end, we are going to have a dedicated Q&A session, questions and answer session. In fact, even if you want to talk on voice, right, on mic, you can do that. Okay. At the end, we will have it. We will continue your questions at the end. But again, all of you are equally eligible to be a part of it. There is no entry barrier. All right. Now, guys, let us start with some practical hands-on learning. And I'm going to open up a requirement document over here. This requirement document will help us, right? What kind of task we have to do. And don't worry, we will have end-to-end Q&A session at the end. Don't worry on that. All right. So guys, you're going to see over here, we have got a requirement document for our practical use case, which says, "Hey Rakshit, we welcome you on board as our analytics partner. We are excited to kickstart with our first project. Please find attach the sales data and let us know when the solution is ready. Regards, Ellison, Analytics Manager, Amazon." So guys, Analytics Manager of Amazon has reached out to us so that we can work on their sales data, and we can clean that data, we can analyze that data, we can visualize that data. So let me quickly download this sales data from here, and it has been downloaded. I will give you the data as well. Don't worry on that. And first of all, let us analyze this data. Let us understand this data. As a good data analyst, you always have to understand your data end to end. Okay. Now, whenever you purchase something from platforms like Amazon.com, so your data gets saved in the server of Amazon. And at later point of time, we analyze this data to understand our customers' patterns, our customer trends, right? So guys, first of all, let us understand the meaning of each and every column. The first column is order ID. That means a unique ID for every order. For example, if you are placing an order and I am placing an order, both of us will have a unique order ID. Then we have got order date, the date at which the order got placed by the customer. Then we have got ship date, the date at which the order got shipped to the customer. Then guys, we have got customer details, like what is the email ID and what is the geographical location of the customer. Then we have got product details. What is the name of the product and what is the category of the product which is getting sold on my website. And at last, guys, we have got numerical data, like what is the net sales, what is the net quantity, and what is the net profit we are going to have. So first of all, we have got order details, then we have got customer details, then we have got product details, and at last we have got numerical data like sales, quantity, and profit. And now guys, we are going to understand this data. We have already done it. And now we are going to transform this data. Okay. We are going to do certain data transformation on this data based upon the requirement. But first of all, I would want you also to download this data, guys. And right now I have got 220 participants live with me. So if I will give you a single link, it will crash, right? That is why I'm going to give you 4 different links over here. You may click on any one link, guys, and the data will get downloaded. Okay. So let me quickly share the link in the chat sections. I will be sharing 4 links. You can click on any one link, guys. Please don't click on all the links. You just have to click on any one link and the data will get downloaded for you. Okay. So quickly do that. I will give you 5 seconds. And guys, if you have joined through mobile phone, then I would recommend you to focus on my screen, write some notes for yourself. At later point of time, you can practice for yourself. Okay. All right. So quickly get it done. Just get the data downloaded, guys. I have shared 4 links with you. Just click on any one of the link and the data will get downloaded over here. All right, I'm going to give you 5 more seconds for that. 5 more seconds for that. So quickly get the data downloaded. Just click on any one of the link. Okay. If you have joined through mobile phone, you can practice at later point of time. Don't worry on that. All right. Now, guys, what we are going to do is I am going to give you the link of notes as well. So today we are going to maintain notes for ourselves as well. Okay. So I am going to give you the link of notes now. As usual, I will be giving you around 4 links. You may click on any one link and the notes will get open for you. So we will maintain proper notes also today, guys, for all the students. And you will be getting all these notes at later point of time as well. Okay. So I've shared the notes link in the chat section. Please click on any one link. Don't click on all the links, guys. You just have to click on any one link over here and the notes will get open. These are Google Word document. Initially, you will see blank notes. As we move ahead, we are going to maintain notes for ourselves. Let me quickly write some notes over here, guys. So I'm going to mention Power BI download and installation instructions for everyone who wants the instructions, right? Okay. So guys, I will be writing Power BI download and installation instructions for everyone who have joined through mobile phone so that they can download and practice on Power BI at later point of time, or who have joined through laptop who want to practice right now, right? So you can just check these instructions in your notes. In all the notes, guys, you will contain the same thing. Okay. All the notes will contain same details, right? The next thing is, guys, I am going to paste the raw data set link over here. Raw data set link means, okay. So I'm going to paste the raw dataset link. I have already shared the raw dataset link with you, but in case you were not able to download the dataset at earlier point of time, no issues. You can do it right now. So I've shared the raw dataset link as well in all your notes. As I mentioned to you, all your notes, guys, are going to contain the same instructions. And the last thing that we are going to use over here is Chat GPT, right? Chat GPT is going to be the tool, the analysis tool that we are going to use. I have got ChatGPT premium version as well, ChatGPT Pro version. But today we are going to use the basic one. And I'm going to share the link of ChatGPT in your chat. So sorry, in your notes. And you may click on it and we will transform our data with the help of ChatGPT. So quickly get it done, guys. We have got around 26 participants on notes 1, around 9 participants on notes 2, 8 participants on notes 3, and 14 participants on notes 4. Okay. So I will give you some more time. I will share the notes link again with you because some students are asking for that. So you may click on any one link, guys, and the notes will open for you. Okay. So I've shared the links again in the chat section. You may click on any one link and the notes will get open for you. I'm going to give you around 10 seconds to go through these notes, a raw dataset link and chat GPT link, and then we will move ahead. Okay. So I will be back in 10 seconds. I'll just get a glass of water and I will be back. Okay. So just quickly go through these notes once. All right. I'm back. So let us check, guys. Okay. Seems like the sun is right above me. Okay. Anyways. All right. So I have to download Power BI. So if you want to practice with me and if you have joined through laptop Lavanya, then you can do that. Okay. How to download on Mac? So on Mac, Akshit, you would require a Windows virtualization layer in between. Okay. So at the end, I can guide you how you can download Power BI on Mac. Okay. Other students, I hope you are ready now. Now, guys, we are going to do some transformations on our data set. For example, We had a discussion with our business stakeholders and we analyzed that they want to see the status of their orders. How many orders are on time? How many orders are delayed and so on, right? So they want to identify what is the order status, how many of them are on time, how many of them are delayed and so on. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a status column. And what is the logic for status? It's pretty simple. If the difference between ship date and order date is greater than 4 days, then it is a delay, otherwise it is on time. Okay. If the difference between ship date and order date is greater than 4 days, then it is a delay, otherwise it is on time, right? And now let us quickly do one thing, guys. Okay, let us insert a new column first of all. Okay, we are going to insert a new status column. How do I do that? So guys, you just have to click on the letter D above the email ID column. And once you do that, you have to right click. And once you right click, you just have to click on insert. And once you do that, guys, a new column will be inserted. Okay. So simply click on letter D above email ID, right click and click on insert, guys, and a new column will be inserted. So this is going to be our status column. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. Quickly do that. All right. Okay. Now, once you have inserted a new column, guys, you can give name to this column as well, right? The name of this column is status, as you can see over here. The name of this column is status, right? And now, guys, we are going to write a prompt on ChatGPT. So simply focus on my screen. I'll guide you what kind of prompt we are going to write on ChatGPT now. Okay. So I will give you time to practice as well. Simply focus on my screen as of now. I am going to go to ChatGPT now, guys, and I'm going to write a prompt over there which says, okay, so just focus on my screen. Okay. So I'm going to mention a prompt over here which says that create an Excel formula to give value delay if the difference of dates in cell C2 and B2 is greater than 4. Otherwise, the value should be on time. That is what I want from my status column, right? And I'm going to send this prompt to ChatGPT. And once I do that, you will see within fractions of seconds, it will give me the right answer. It will give me the formula that I can apply on Excel. So I am simply going to click on this copy code. And once I do that, the formula is going to get copied. And once the formula gets copied, I will go to Excel and I am going to paste the formula over here. You see, I have created an Excel column. I have created a status column. I'm going to paste the formula over here. So I can right click and paste it as well, right? Or I can use the shortcut control plus V. And once I paste the formula, guys, you see we have got on time ready in front of us. Okay. That means your first order is on time. And that is how magical tools like ChatGPT can be for us. And now I would want you also to practice it. So I'm going to copy this prompt and share it across all your notes, guys. This is going to be your prompt number 1 in your notes. Let me copy that and paste it across all your notes. So quickly get it executed, guys. And I'm going to paste the solution as well in case there is someone who is not able to use ChatGPT or who wants to refer to these notes at later point of time. So this is the solution that we have got over here. Okay. So quickly get it done, guys. All right. Okay. Please share the notes link. Notes link is already shared with you. In case you have not opened notes link, I will share again, guys. This is the notes link. You may click on this link and the notes will get open for you. Okay. I've shared the link again. Abhay, everything is there in your notes. The raw data set is also there in your notes. Just check it once. Okay. All right. So guys, I'll very quickly repeat. First of all, you have to create a status column. How do you create a status column? Select the email ID column, right click and click on insert. And then guys, you can simply give this column a name. The name of this column is status. Then you can go to your notes and copy the prompt from there. Once you copy, go to ChatGPT, paste that prompt and send it. And once you send it, guys, ChatGPT is going to analyze your prompt and it is going to respond back to you with a formula. You can copy this formula, go to Excel and paste this formula over here. And you will see on time ready in front of us. And guys, we can extend this formula as well to all the rows. How do we extend this formula to all the rows? Simply double click at the corner of this cell. This is the cell, right? Just double click at the corner of this cell. Okay. Once you double click at the corner of this cell, guys, this is the corner, you will see the formula will get extended to all the rows. And that is the power of ChatGPT. Okay. So that is why you should learn how to use them to increase your productivity. For example, the company I'm working with right now is integrating, right, Copilot into its infrastructure so that their employees can use it. But if you don't know how to use it, right, how will you be able to take benefit of that? Okay, so be AI workforce ready. So get the status column, guys, and once you have done it, we are going to move ahead towards creating the second column. Okay. Now, in case you are not able to understand, we will revise the concept. In case you are able to understand, we are going to create a new data transformation task now. Okay. Now, guys, the business want to see that what are my top 5 customers generating the maximum profit for me. Okay. Who are my top 5 customers generating the maximum profit? And you will see I don't have customer name. I just have the email ID of the customer. So I will write a prompt to extract the name from this email ID. This is the email ID, right? I will be extracting the name from this email ID, right? I will be extracting the name from this email ID. Okay. So let us quickly write a prompt for that. First of all, guys, I am going to create a new column. How do I create a new column? Same thing. Select the email ID column. Click on the letter above email ID. The email ID column will get selected. Right click and click on insert. A new column will be inserted. I'll give you 5 seconds for that. Quickly do that. Once you do that, guys, a new column will be inserted, as you can see. You can give this column a name. The name of this column is customer name. You understand, right? The name of this column is customer name over here. Okay. Now we are going to basically write a new prompt on ChatGPT. So simply focus on my screen. I will give you time to practice as well. So I am going to go to ChatGPT, guys, and I am going to write a prompt over there, which says, right, let us quickly go. Okay. So I've written a prompt that write an Excel formula to extract name from email ID in F2 with @ as a separator, right? Because @ is separating email ID and gmail.com. So once I send this type of prompt on ChatGPT, you're going to see that I have got the formula ready in front of me. They are using a combination of left and find function. I am going to copy the code from here. You see, this is the copy code button. I'm going to copy the code from here, go back to Excel, and I'm going to paste the formula in the new cell that I've got. Once I do that, I have got Darren Van Huff ready in front of me. All right. That is how magical tools like ChatGPT can be for us. Okay. So I hope you understand that. Let me quickly copy the prompt and I'm going to share it across all your notes. So quickly get it done. All right. This is your prompt number 2, guys, where we are extracting the name from the email ID over here. I'm going to paste the solution as well. This is solution number 2. Okay. In case you want to refer that, you can refer that as well. So quickly extract the name from the email ID, guys. That is what you have to do. Okay. What are we finding now? We are extracting the name from the email ID, Bhagyodaya, right? So this is the email ID. I want only the name of the customer. So I'm extracting this name from this email ID. Okay. Can you please repeat the last one about pasting the whole? Don't worry. We will learn in this one, right? How to extend the formula in all the rows, Farhan. All right. So quickly get it done. I'll give you 5 seconds. That's great. Sanchit has already done it. Now, guys, we are going to okay. I'll wait for some more time. Don't worry, Durga. Just quickly get it done. Take your time. Good work, Gaurav. Okay. Now we are going to extend this formula to all the rows. Okay. How do we extend the formula to all the rows? Simply, guys, double click at the corner of this cell, right? So someone was asking question how to do that. So this is for you, Farhan. Just double click at the corner of this cell. Once you do that, the formula will get extended to all the rows over here. Just double click at the corner. And we have successfully extracted the customer name from the email ID, right? That is how powerful tools like ChatGPT can be for us. Now let us do our last data transformation task. Now, guys, you will see we have got a geography column. And if you will study analytics in detail, you will realize that this is not the right way to store your data. You are storing everything in a single cell. You are storing country as well, which is United States. You are storing state as well, which is California. And we are storing city as well, which is Los Angeles, in a single cell. So we have got comma separated value in a single cell over here, which is not a good thing. So what are we going to do? We are going to split our data into three different columns. One will be for country, one will be for city, and one will be for state. So let us quickly create three different columns first of all. How are we going to do that? So guys, first of all, select the category column, right click and click on insert. A new column will be inserted. Quickly do that. Select the category column, right click and click on insert. A new column will be inserted as you can see over here. Again, right click and click on insert. Again, right click and click on insert. So you will see three new columns will be inserted: H, I, and J. So give this column names, guys. The first one is going to be country, second one is going to be city, and the third one is going to be state. So H column is country, I column is city, and J column is state over here. Now we are going to write a new prompt to ChatGPT. So simply focus on my screen and let us split this data into three different columns. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT now and write a new prompt that I have comma separated value in G2. What is the meaning of G2? G2 means column G, second row, right? G2 means column G, second row. As you can see, I have comma separated value in G2. Write three Excel formulas to extract the value as comma as a separator in H2, I2, and J2, right? The three new columns that I have created, H, I, and J. And I'm going to send this prompt to ChatGPT, guys. And again, you're going to see within fractions of seconds, it has given me three formulas. First one is for H2. I'm going to copy that and paste it, and I have got United States ready in front of me. Second one is for I2. I'm going to copy that and paste it, and I've got Los Angeles. And the third one is for J2. I'm going to copy that and paste it. I've got California as well. That is how magical it can be, guys, for us. Okay. So I want you also to quickly practice that. I am going to copy this prompt number 3, guys, and paste it across all your notes. So quickly get it executed from your prompt. Okay. This is your prompt number 3. All right, there it is. And I will be pasting the solution as well in case there is someone who's not able to use that. Okay. And this is the answer for H2, guys, in your notes. I'm going to go to the next page. Okay. And then we have got the answer for I2 over here. And then we have got for J2 over here. Okay, so I've pasted across all your notes. So quickly get it done, guys. All right, so quickly get it done. Okay, and once you have created three different column, country, city, and state, you can extend this formula to all the rows, right? I have problem in on time delay. It shows only on time. So just send me the formula that you have written. Durga, you can just refer in case I think you're using the wrong formula. That is why you are getting only on time. So what you can do is you can just check your notes once. Use this formula, okay? Maybe ChatGPT has generated a wrong formula for you, or maybe you have done some mistake. Just use this formula, right? Okay. When I selected the whole column for customer name formula, it did not work. Instead of first name, repeated till last. That means ChatGPT is giving you Excel formula with absolute reference. So just check, Pooja, in your formula, do you have a dollar symbol? Do you have a dollar symbol in your formula? If you have a dollar symbol in your formula, just remove that, okay? Same answer to you, Pooja and Durga. Just check, do you have a dollar symbol in your formula? If you have it, just remove it, right? Because that is a concept of absolute referencing that we will learn when we will learn in detail about, Microsoft Excel. We can't copy this. So you can only copy it from notes, Lavanya. That is why I've given you notes. You cannot copy it from chat. You can only copy it from notes. Okay. Now, guys, extend this formula to all the rows. Simply double click at the corner of this cell, double click at the corner of the cell, and double click over here. And the formula will get extended to all the rows. You can save this Excel file as well, because this is the same file that we can use in Power BI. And don't worry, guys, even if you are not able to clean the data along with me, I have got the final data set link for you as well, which contains clean data that you can use for Power BI. I'm going to send this final data set in the chat section. You can click on any one link, right? Or maybe I will just give you one link to avoid any confusion. So I am going to give you final data set link in the chat section. You can use it, guys, for your Power BI in case you are not able to clean the data. Okay. So everything is bulletproof over here. All right. So I'm going to paste the final data set across your notes as well. So quickly get it done. You can download it. Just click on it. I just clicked on it and it got downloaded, as you can see over here. Okay. There you go. Right. All right. So quickly get it done. Pratibha, in that scenario, you maybe have done some mistake. At the end, I will rectify your mistake, in detail, right? Because I have to check which step you did a mistake. Okay, but now let us move to Power BI, guys. Let me quickly give you a glimpse of Power BI as well. In case you are able to clean the data, you can use the same data. In case not, I have given you the final data set link as well. Again, I will share with you in the chat section. Just click on it and the final data set will get downloaded that you can use in Power BI. Okay. Now let me quickly open up Amazon dashboard. This is Power BI server, guys, where we can publish our dashboard. Okay. This is an interactive, visually appealing dashboard that we are going to build for ourselves. Over here, you will see we have got important numbers at the top: total profit, total sales, count of order ID. We have got time series analysis of sales and order date. We have got tree map. We have got categorical analysis in the form of tree map, sales by category, geographical analysis, target wise analysis, and all these charts are interactive, as you can see over here. Okay. So we are going to build this end-to-end dashboard on Power BI for our client, for our business stakeholders. I hope you are excited to build this. Now, guys, the team has already given you instructions on how to download and install Power BI, isn't it? On your WhatsApp group, they have given it. On your notes also, I have given it. If you have already downloaded and installed Power BI, you can work along with me. If not, you can do it at later point of time. Don't worry on that. Okay. So simply launch Power BI now, guys. Simply click on this start button and type Power BI. Even if you are not practicing, start writing your notes. Okay. Just write Power BI and Power BI desktop will be there. Simply click on Power BI desktop. Once you do that, guys, Power BI desktop is going to get open in front of you. Okay. Simply click on Power BI. Just type Power BI in, just like you launch any app, right, on Excel or anywhere. Just write Power BI. You will see Power BI desktop and just launch it. Once you launch it, guys, you're going to see that Power BI will take some time and it will open for you. And once it gets open, you just have to click on this blank report. Simply click on this blank report, guys, and you're going to see that a blank report in Power BI is going to get open for you. I'm going to give you around 10 seconds for that because it might take some time for some students as well to open that. Okay. So just click on this blank report. I'm going to give you some time on this. Okay. Deepika has already done it. That's great, guys. Other students also do it. All right, I'll just get a glass of water, guys. Quickly get it done. I'll just give you 10 more seconds or maybe 5 more seconds, and then we will go toward the most interesting part of this workshop. Okay. All right. Mohammed and Harish has also done it. Guys, once you click on blank report, this is the report that we are going to see. Now you tell me in the chat section, what is the next step I have to do over here? Okay. What do you think? What is the next step I have to do before I start analyzing my data? That is right, Indu SM, right? That is right, Bella Tanuja as well. That is right, Naveen, Dharani, Deepika Pal. Yes, that is right, Suprita. That is right, Amruta. That is right, Manish, Mohammed as well. All right, that's great, Abhay. We have to connect Power BI to data, guys, right? So how do I connect Power BI to data? You have to click on Microsoft Excel. At the top left, you will see Microsoft Excel, Excel workbook. Simply click on Excel workbook, guys. Then select your Excel file. It can be a raw data set. It can be final data set, any one of them. And click on open. Simply click on open. Once you click on open, your Power BI will be connected to your Excel file. Right. And guys, you're going to see that we have got a Walmart button over there. We have got a navigator menu. In navigator, you will see the name of the sheet. The name of the sheet is Walmart. Right. As you can see, the name of the sheet over here is Walmart. So you have to check the box of Walmart. Okay. Simply check inside the box of Walmart. Once you check inside the box of Walmart, you will see a load button at the bottom. Just click on this load button and your data will be loaded. So these are the three steps you have to follow. Click on Excel workbook and select your data. Second step is click inside this box of Walmart to make sure this sheet is selected. Third step is click on this load button at the bottom and the data will get loaded. Quickly do that, guys. I do not have any Excel file. I just gave you the final data set, right? I just gave you the final data set link a few minutes back. I will share it with you again. This is the final data set that you can use. Okay. You can just click on it and data set will get downloaded. Once it gets downloaded, guys, simply click on Excel files, select your data, click on open, then click inside the box of Walmart. And then guys, you have to click on this load button. I'll give you 5 more seconds on that and then we are going to move ahead. Okay. All right. Now, guys, once you click on this load button, you can take screenshots as well so that you can refer to it at later point of time. Once you click on this load button, the data will get loaded. It will take some time, maybe 5-10 seconds, and it will get loaded in your system, guys. And on the right hand side, you are going to see a Walmart sheet. On the right hand side, you're going to see a Walmart sheet. Simply click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, guys, you are going to see all your columns will appear, your category, city, country, customer name, and so on. And now it's the right time to visualize your data. For example, guys, the first thing that we have to do is we have to report the important numbers. There are a lot of important numbers that we need to report, particularly three, right? For example, the business want to see the total sales, business want to see the total profit, and the count of order ID as well. Guys, these are known as card visualization. What is it known as? Card visualization. So we are going to build three card visualizations over here for total sales, profit, and count of order ID. Let us quickly build that. The first one we are going to build for total sales. Okay. All right. So now go back to Power BI and guys, just check where is your sales column. Sales column is somewhere in the middle, right? At the bottom, as you will see. So click on the sales column, drag it and drop it in this blank space. This blank space is known as canvas. This is where you will build your dashboard. Okay. So just click on sales, hold the click, don't release the click, hold the click, drag it. You see, I'm dragging it, drag, and drop it in the blank space over here. Once you drop it in the blank space, a column chart for sales will get created for you. Okay. And a filter menu will open for you by default. So you can close this filter menu by clicking on this double arrow, which is used to collapse your filter menu. You see, you can collapse it, you can expand it, you can collapse it, and so on. Okay. So again, I'll repeat, you have to click on sales, drag it like this, guys, and drop it in the blank space. Once you drop it, you will see Power BI will create a column chart for you. Now, the next thing is you have to make sure that this chart is selected. How do I make sure? Just click on the title of this chart, right? You will see the borders. Borders means the chart is selected, right? So just click on the title of this chart, sum of sales, and the chart will get selected. Then guys, under visualization, I have to convert it into a card visual. I don't want to see a column chart. I want to see a card visual, right? So under visualization, we have got a lot of options. I just have to select the right option. For me, the right option is fifth row, first column, card visual. 1, 2, 3 is also written over there, right? As you can see, 1, 2, 3 is also written over there. Now guys, you might have this card visual somewhere else as well. That is fine, because you might be using the most updated version. So just check among your visuals icons, where is 1, 2, 3 written? Where is this card visual? And wherever you find that, just click on it. Right? Where is it, guys? Is it in the fifth row, first column only, or is it somewhere else for the latest version users? Guys, fourth row. Okay. Where is it? Fourth row into where? Fourth row, last column or second last column? Last column. Okay. So guys, students are saying that it is in the fourth row, last column. Okay. So simply click on that. And once you do that, you're going to see that we have got $725,000 of sales. Now you can move this card visual also. You can move it and you can place it anywhere. You can click on the card. You can move it anywhere you want. You see, I am going to move it to the top right. Okay. And guys, you can reduce the size of this card visual as well. You can drag it from the corners. You can put your mouse cursor at the corner and drag it like this. So you will be able to reduce the size of this card visual as well, as you can see over here. Okay, this is your first visual. Now we are going to build other visuals as well. In case you were not able to understand, we are going to build one more card for profit. Okay, same steps I'm going to repeat. Click on profit, drag it and drop it in the blank space. Once you do that, Power BI will automatically create a column chart for you. Make sure this chart is selected. Just click on the title of this chart. This chart will get selected. Under visualization, you have to convert it into a card visual. For me, it is in the fifth row, first column. Some students are saying it is in the fourth row. Just check where is this 1, 2, 3 icon, this card visualization icon, right? So again, Amrit, Pavan, Abhay, Latha, we have got Lavanya, Ifsha, and again Dharani confirmed it's in the fourth row, right? So just check it once and convert it to a card visual. And once you do that, guys, you can move this visual anywhere you want. You can click on it, you can move it to the left, to the right, to the top, bottom, anywhere you want, you can move it. Okay, I am going to move it to the top section, and I can reduce the size of this card visual as well. I can simply drag it from the corners, and once I drag it from the corners, you're going to see I have got some of profit as well, which is $108,000 for us. Okay, so quickly get it done. All right, can we reduce the font size? Yes, you can do that. In chart number 4, I will teach you how can you reduce the font size and everything, right? Don't worry on that. Okay, Swati. All right. Now we have to build one more card visual, guys, for count of order ID. Okay. So guys, where is order ID? Order ID is somewhere in the middle. I am going to click on order ID and I will drag it and drop it in the blank space. Okay. So once I drop it in the blank space, guys, I will get a list of order ID, as you can see. But do I want a list of order ID? No, right? I only want the count of order ID. So I am going to change the way in which I see the data, right? Right now, I am seeing the data in the form of list. I am seeing all the order IDs over here, but I don't want that. So first of all, I will make sure that this chart is selected, right? How do you make sure? You will see the borders around this chart. In case you don't see the borders like this, you can simply click around this chart and the chart will get selected. Now guys, once it is selected, you have to click on this arrow of order ID, which will basically give you more options. What is the meaning of this arrow? Arrow means I will give you more options on how you want to see your data. So simply click on this arrow of order ID and just click on count, guys, right? Just click on count, which is the fourth last option. Once you click on count over here, the fourth last option, the list will get converted to a count, as simple as that. Okay, so quickly get it done. Just click on this count, guys, which is the fourth last option. And once you do that, this will get converted to a count. We have got 3203 now, right? Which is the count of order ID now, isn't it? But it is still a table, guys. I have to convert it into a card visualization. How do I do that? Same way. Under visualization, we have got multiple icons. I just have to select the right icon for card. This is the right icon for card for me, which is fifth row, first column. For you, it must be in the fourth row. Just click on it and it will get converted to a card. I can move it anywhere I want. I can move it to the top. I can reduce the size of it as well. And I have got 3203 as our card. This is the count of order ID that we have got. Okay. So quickly get it done. I'm not able to drag and drop. So Shailendra, what you have to do is you have to click, hold the click, don't release the click, hold the click and then drag it. Just move your mouse cursor and then drop it. Okay. So click on the field, hold the click, drag it and drop it right over here. This is what you have to do. All right. So I hope you understand that. So guys, this way we have created 3 card visuals over here. Okay, how count column come? I'll very quickly guide you again, guys. So just focus. What you have to do is click on this order ID, drag it and drop it in the blank space. Once you do that, you will get a list of order ID. But I don't want list. I want count of order ID, right? So I will click on this arrow of order ID. Once I click on this arrow of order ID, guys, down arrow, I will get more options in which I want to see my data. I want to see the count of order ID. So I will click on count. And once I click on count, guys, you will see I've got 3203. Now I can convert it to a card visual. which is for me in the fifth row, first column. For you, it is in the fourth row somewhere. And once you do that, it will get converted into a card, Durga, right? You can move this visual as well at the top, and we can reduce the size of it as well. And I think it is looking perfectly fine, isn't it? Okay. Also, click the checkbox, data will be automated, create, sir, don't need to drag. Yes, yes, you can do that also, right? There are multiple ways in which you can visualize away, right? All right. Now, let me quickly understand, guys, students who are practicing, writing, making notes, trying to understand as much as possible. Can I get a quick OP from them in the chat section? Let me check how many of you are with me right now. How many of you are practicing right now? Can I get a quick OP in the chat? So we have got Gaurav Kumar, Divya, Pawan, we have got Praveen, Bila, Mahi, we have got Divya, Farhan, we have got Indu SM, we have got Lata Babu, Bestin, Jabisha, we have got Hemu, Neha, Akshay, Rinki, Naveen, Amruta, Manish, Harish, we have got Chiranjeevi, Swati as well, Deepika Pal, P. Harish, Ravi Kumar, Reswal, Balaji S, Mohammad Mustafa, and other students also. All right. So thank you so much for confirming. We have got other students like Purnima, right? We have got Nikki, we have got Dishiha Pandian, we have got Tanish, Shanjana, right? Afshar and other students also. All right. Now, guys, let us move ahead towards creating a line chart. Now, this line chart, we are going to do a time series analysis. We are going to understand the sales by order date. Okay. So let us quickly build sales by order date as a line chart now. So, guys, where is your sales? Sales is somewhere in the middle, as you can see. Click on sales, drag it and drop it in the blank space. Once you drop it in the blank space, you will see a column chart of sales will get created for you automatically as usual. But I want sales by order date. I don't want to analyze just sales over here. I want to analyze sales by order date over here. You remember? So I am going to add order date to my chart as well. How can we do that? So first of all, guys, make sure this chart is selected. Simply click on the title of this chart and the chart will get selected for us. Okay. The next step that you have to do is you have to add order date to your chart as well. How do I add order date? So guys, you will see that we have got order date somewhere over here, right? So simply check the box of order date. Once you check the box of order date, once you click on this box, the order date box will be checked over here. And we have got sales by order date ready in front of us, right? Now you can check data of sales, not only by sales, but by order date also. But now guys, you will see I have got hierarchical data. What I have got? I have got hierarchical data. That means, first of all, I am seeing the data by year, as you can see. Then I am seeing the data by quarter, as you can see, Q1. Then I am seeing the data by month, and then I am seeing the data by day, as you can see over here. I don't want to see the data in the hierarchical format. I want to see continuous day level data, continuous day level data. For example, if you will see my original chart over there, I've got continuous day level data, right? I have got over here 30th of April, then we have got 3rd of May, then we have got 10th of May, 11th of May, and so on. So I have to convert this hierarchical data to a continuous data now. So let us quickly learn how to do that. So guys, what you have to do is, first of all, make sure this chart is selected. Again, you have to click on the arrow of order date, which will give you more options on how you want to see your data. Once you click on that, you will see right now date hierarchy is selected. Okay. You just have to click on order date from here. Simply click on order date from here and your hierarchical data will get converted to continuous data, as you can see. Okay. Just click on the second last option, which is order date. All right. And guys, it is still a column chart. I have to convert it to a line chart. How can I do that? Under visualization, I have to click on second row first icon is my line chart. Second row first icon, simply click on that. It will get converted to a line chart, as you can see. Now you can move it anywhere you want. You can click on it. You can move it to the left, right, top, bottom. I am going to move it to the left. I can increase the size of it as well. And I think it is looking perfectly fine, where I can see my trends and patterns clearly, isn't it? So quickly get it done. All right. Without signing in, yes, you don't have to sign in, Amil, right? Without signing in, you have to practice. Do we decrease the font size of the count of order ID? Yes, you can do all of these things. In the next chart, I will guide you. How can you increase, decrease the font size? How can you change the colors and all? Okay. Drag and put in x-axis. That is what you have to do as well. That is what you can do, right? You can directly drag order date to x-axis also. Okay. When I drag the order date, I find a difference chart. What is the I find a different. So again, based upon when I drag the order date, okay. So if you are directly dragging the order date, you might get a different chart. Let us check. So you are getting a table view. Okay, so don't drag order date. Drag sales and then add order date to that. And then whatever chart you get, you just convert it into a line chart. Okay, using this, right? You can convert it into a line chart. Okay, very nice learning. I'm learning a lot of things. Thank you, sir. Already, you're welcome, Ravi Kumar. Okay, I'll repeat it once for you guys. A lot of students were asking to repeat. So what you have to do is you have to show sales by order date. So I'll click on sales, drag it and drop it in the blank space. Once I do that, you will see a column chart of sales will get created for us. But do I want this column chart? No, right? I want sales by order date. So first of all, make sure that this chart is selected. Just click on the title of this chart, sum of sales, the chart will get selected. Under visualization, you have to select the right, under this Walmart, you have to add order date as well, because you have to show sales by order date. So where is order date? Order date is the fifth option. Simply click on that. And once you do that, guys, simply click inside the box of order date and order date will be added. Right now, you are getting a column chart of sales by order date, but it is in the hierarchical format. For example, first of all, we have got year level data, then we have got quarter level data, then month level data, and so on. Okay, I have to convert this basically, this hierarchical data to continuous data. So how can I do that? You just have to click on this arrow of order date, then select date, or date hierarchy is selected right now, and just click on order date, which will give you continuous order date. And now guys, you can convert it to a line chart using second row, first column. And once you do that, your line chart is ready. You can move this and you can increase the size of it as well. You can simply drag it from the corners over here. Okay, great work guys. Let us move ahead now to do some categorical analysis, where we will revise some concept and learn some new concepts. Now, this type of chart is known as a tree map. What is it known as? This type of chart is known as a tree map. We are doing sales by category, right? We are analyzing sales by category. And how do we understand this tree map, guys? The bigger the rectangle, the maximum the sales. The smaller the rectangle, the smaller is the sales. Okay. So the area of the rectangle will determine whether my sales is high or whether my sales is low over here. So we are going to build sales by category as a tree map now. Okay. So let us quickly learn how to build that. So first of all, guys, where is sales? Sales is somewhere at the bottom. Click on sales, drag it and drop it in the blank space. Once you drop it in the blank space, you will see a column chart of sales will get created for you. Okay. But I want sales by category, you remember. So I have to add category to my chart as well. So first of all, make sure that this chart is selected. Simply click on the title of this chart. Once you do that, guys, your chart will get selected. Then add the category to your chart as well, because you have to show sales by category. So simply check the box of category. Once you check the box of category, you will see that categories are also added to your chart. Right. Now I want to convert it to a tree map. It's a column chart. I don't want column chart. I want tree map, right? So I have to convert it to a tree map. For me, guys, it is under visualization. It is fourth row, first column. This is the icon of tree map. Okay, just check it. This is the icon of tree map. Fourth row, first column. Just click on that. And once you click on that, this column chart will get converted to a tree map over here. Quickly get it done. Right? As you can see, we have got a tree map now. Right? I'll give you 5 seconds. Quickly get it done. Okay. All right. Now, guys, what we will do is we will learn how to add the data labels in our tree map. For example, if you will see our original chart over there, we have got data labels like $61,000 of sales, $55,000 of sales. These are known as data labels, which is representing the exact sales that we have got for that tree map. Okay. So now let us learn how to add the data label to our chart. So first of all, guys, make sure this chart is selected. You have clicked on the title of this chart. Then under visualization, go to the second option, which is format your visual. This is where you can add data labels. This is where you can change the font size. This is where you can change the font color and so on. Okay. So simply click on this. And guys, you're going to see we have got a data label option over here. As you can see, the third option is data label. Data label is turned off right now. You can click on it and data label will be turned on. And we have got the total sales over here as well by category. Okay. That is how you can add data labels as well to your chart. Okay. So quickly get it done. And now guys, you can reduce the size of this chart as well. You can simply drag it from the corners and the size of the chart will also get reduced. Someone was asking how to reduce the font size. Everything can be done under format your visual, right? For example, you want to change the size of the data label. You can get inside data label and you can change the font size from 9 to 10 to 8 or anywhere, right? Okay. So I hope you understand that. Quickly get it done. Format visual is not appearing. That is because Durga, your chart is not selected. So you have to make sure your chart is selected. Simply click on the title of this chart. The chart will get selected. Okay. Then you will see the format your visual option. Okay. All right. Quickly get it done. Yes, that is also perfectly fine. That is also fine, Praveen. Right. So this is how guys we can get sales by category as a tree map. And as you can see, chair, phones and tables are the top three most profit or more sales generating categories for us. And guys, in case you are not able to understand, don't worry. We are going to do a revision chart as well, where we are going to revise the concept. The next chart is going to be a revision chart. Same thing we are going to implement again. In the next chart, guys, we are going to do a geographical analysis where we are going to understand which state is generating the maximum profit for me. And this is a bar chart. Okay. These are the column chart and this is the bar chart. All right. So we are going to build profit by state as a bar chart. Let us build profit by state as a bar chart in a similar way. Where is profit? Profit is somewhere in the middle, as you can see. So click on profit, drag it and drop it in the blank space. Once you do that, guys, the entire space will be taken by this column chart of profit. I want to show profit by state. So first of all, make sure this chart is selected. You have clicked on the title of this chart. The chart will get selected. Then you have to check the box of state. State is the second last option, guys, over here. Okay. Simply check the box of state and state will be added to your chart. And this is a column chart that we have got. Okay. Profit by state as a column chart. Now we have to convert it to a bar chart. How do I do that? Under visualization, go back to the first option where you can see all your charts and visuals. Right now, we are in the format your visual section. Go back to the first option. Over here, you will see all the type of charts and visual and select the right chart for yourself, guys, which is a bar chart. First row, first column. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see a bar chart will be created for us. Okay. Now you can move this visual or you can basically add data labels as well in case you are not able to understand how to add data labels. Same thing you can do over here, guys. Make sure this chart is selected. Then under visualization, go to the second option, which is format your visual. Okay. Same thing. Under format your visual, you have to turn on the data label. Data label is this option. Simply check the box of data label and data label will be turned on. We have got $76,000, $33,000 and so on. And now guys, you can reduce the size of this chart as well. Okay. Simply drag it from the corners and the size of the chart will also get reduced. And we have got California and Washington are the top two most profit generating states for us. Okay. Data labels automatically will come. If you will enable the data label, it will come. Okay. Sales by order date also changes when I change the sales by category. That is right. I will discuss about that feature once we complete the dashboard. Okay. So Durga, same thing we have done. Drag profit to blank space, add state, convert it to a bar chart. Then if you want to add data label, go to format your visual and enable the data label. Right now, data labels are missing. You can simply enable the data labels over here. Okay. All right. So I hope you understand. Now, guys, the next thing that we are going to do over here is we are going to build a gauge chart. What is it? We are going to build a gauge chart for ourselves. This is known as a gauge chart. Let me quickly guide you on that. Okay. This is known as a gauge chart, guys, which is used to do target wise analysis. For example, my total sales is $725,000. That is fine. But my target is $1 million. So I am falling short of my target. So this is known as a gauge chart, which is also known as a speedometer chart. Okay. So we will build this gauge chart to analyze the target of sales now. So I'll go back to Power BI. Where is sales? Somewhere at the bottom. I will click on sales, drag it and drop it in the blank space. Once I drop it in the blank space, guys, you're going to see a column chart of sales will get created for us, right? But do I want this column chart? No, right? I want a gauge chart. So I'm going to convert it to a gauge chart now. Make sure this chart is selected. Under visualization, go to the first option, which is add data to your visual. And over here, guys, you have to convert it to a gauge chart. Gauge chart is fourth row, last column is your gauge chart. Fourth row, last column is your gauge chart. Simply click on that. And once you click on this, guys, you will see this chart will get converted to a gauge chart over here. Okay. Fourth row, last column. For you, it might be somewhere else. Just check it once. For me, it is fourth row, last column. It is like a speedometer, guys. Right. Just check where it is. Now, once we have added a gauge chart, the next step is to add a target to this, guys, right? Target is 1 million, which is equal to 10 lakh. Let us learn how to add target. First of all, make sure this chart is selected. You have clicked on the title of this chart. The next step is, guys, under visualization, go to the second option again, which is format your visual, where all your formatting options and different options will appear. Okay. And over here, you will see gauge axis. Simply get inside the gauge axis. Right? Open the gauge axis menu. Simply click on this arrow and gauge axis menu will get open. You will see a target field over here. Simply enter your target of 10 lakh. Once you enter your target of 10 lakh, you will see $1 million target is added over here. Okay. So Swati, in case you have done some mistake, you can simply press Control plus Z. Control plus Z will undo your mistake. Okay. So this way, guys, you can simply add target to your gauge chart also. I'll very quickly repeat. First of all, click on sales, drag it and drop it in the blank space, convert it into a gauge chart, go under format your visual and get inside the gauge axis and simply enter the target 10 lakh over here. Is it done, guys? Have you added a gauge chart? That's great, Harish. I hope other students have also done that. Okay. What is the logic behind 1.45 million? It is double. It is double of the current sales. $725,000 into 2 is 1.45 millions. Okay. Now, guys, the next thing is we are going to add a title to our dashboard. Title on the dashboard is missing. So we need to add a title to the dashboard as well. How can we add the title? So you will see at the top in the middle, you will see a text box menu. Are you seeing that? In the top, in the middle, you will see a text box menu. Simply click on this text box, guys. Simply click on this text box in the top middle. Once you do that, you are going to see that a text box will be added over here, right? And now you can write anything that you want to write inside this text box. I'm going to mention Amazon Sales Analytics Dashboard, Amazon Sales Analytics Dashboard. Okay. So you can write your title as well inside this text box. You can increase the size of the font inside this text box as well. You can select it. You can select it entirely and you can change the font size from 10 to 20. You can make it bold, italic. You can change the colors and do whatever you want, right? So this way we can add a title to our dashboard as well. And guys, you can move this text box also. It is a little bit tricky to move this text box. You have to put your mouse cursor at the borders. You see, these are the borders. You have to put your mouse cursor at the border of your text box. Then you have to click and move it. Okay. Just click and move it. I'm going to move it over here. I can increase the size of this text box as well. And I think it's looking perfectly fine. So quickly get it done. Quickly add a text box to your dashboard as well, guys, right? Okay. In the top middle, you will see a text box option, guys. Now we have built our end-to-end dashboard for the day. You can collapse the visualization menu because our visualization task is done. I can simply click on this double arrow and visualization menu will collapse. You can collapse the data menu as well over here. Simply click on this double arrow and the data menu will collapse. And you have got this end-to-end dashboard for yourself. If you want to see your dashboard in a single view, right? You don't want to scroll down. You can click on this button at the bottom, which is fit to page. Fit to page will fit your dashboard to the page and you will be able to see your dashboard in one go. And guys, all these charts are interactive. For example, if I will click on chairs, all the charts will get filtered with respect to chair. If I'll click on California, all the charts will get filtered with respect to California. That is how all these charts are interactive with each other as well. They can talk to each other as well. Okay. So I hope you understand that. Where is fit to dashboard? At the bottom, you see over here. Oh, just check my mouse cursor. This is fit to dashboard, where your dashboard will fit to a single page. Okay. So this way, guys, all these charts are interactive as well over here. And if you want to bring your chart to the normal state, just click on the selected option. Once again, it will come back to the normal state. And it's a great progress that we have done almost in the last 2 hours, right? A big kudos to each and every one of you who have stayed with me till here. And guys, I just want to understand from you that how's the workshop going on till now, right? How's this seminar going on till now? Let me check the chat. So great says Manish, superb says Lata, great says Indu, highly interactive says Animesh, Dr. Setupati says great, learn more says Lata, I'm enjoying says Brown Girl. Okay, Onkar says fantastic, it's amazing says Bhagyodaya. For me, it was amazing says Praveen. Mahi says good, awesome says Vikram, amazing says Deepak, great says Pawan. One of the best webinar I have attended says Nikhil. Nick says superb. Sanjay says good. All right, that's good, guys. Seems like you're enjoying your learning so far, and it was up to your expectation as well. Okay. Unable to access link. Can you please send the link again? Which link you are referring to? Okay, which link you are referring to? That is again, Tushar. That is why we have built notes, right? That is why we have got notes, so that at later point of time also you can practice each and everything. Okay, you will be getting notes as well in your email ID. Don't worry on that. Okay, interesting without boring, super, very good. We have got great, we have got helpful, very nice, amazing. That's good, guys. Seems like you're enjoying your learning so far. Now, I would also like to quickly tell you guys that over here, I would be telling you some, perspective analytics. I'll give you some perspective learning as well, where I'm going to guide you that what are some professional dashboards that we can build for ourselves. Okay. What are some professional dashboards that we can build for ourselves? Okay. So it will give you a very good idea that what are some professional dashboards in the market, what are some AI powered dashboards in the market, and so on. Okay. So just simply focus on my screen. I will be guiding you on that. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone, for your words and everything else, right? For all your comments. Now just focus on my screen. I want to give you some perspective learning that how we can build professional dashboard with the help of tools like Power BI. For example, let me open a regional sales sample dashboard over here, and you're going to see that this is a professional dashboard which is built for our client Contoso. And just check how beautiful color coordinated each and everything is over here. Right? We have got important numbers at the top over here as well, like revenue won, qualified pipeline, forecast percentage. Then guys, we have got a funnel chart over here. That means out of 100% of my total sales, 56.4% has been achieved. It's a very important chart, specifically in the sales domain. Then guys, we have got a matrix chart over here, right? Matrix chart is useful whenever you have to show a lot of data, right? For example, this is a US West territory where we can check the revenue, where we can check the in pipeline revenue. All the charts are interactive over here as well. I can get inside US West as well, and I can check the data for Arizona. I can check the data for California, Colorado, and so on. Okay. Along with this, I can drill up also. I can drill down as well. Apart from that, guys, I have got conditional color formatting map visualization over here. This is a map of United States. And as you can see over here, colors will actually tell me what is my sales. For example, dark blue means maximum sales. Washington is having a sales of $1.2 million. Light blue means minimum sales. Arizona is having a sales of only $50,000. And gray means no sales. So basically, colors will guide me what is my sales over there. Then guys, we have got what if analysis. What if in future my sales increase by 20%? So you will see everything is in green. What if in future my sales decrease by 40%? You will see some are in green and some are in yellow. And what if in future my sales decrease by 80%? You will see everything is in red over here. This way I can control the parameters of the futures to identify how is it going to impact my present value. Then guys, we have got a trend section as well over here, right? Over here, you can check that we have got a ribbon chart where we can check the trend of our data, right? For example, we have got life insurance sector. And you will see in November 2021, it was at the bottom. It moved at the top in December and again slipped to the bottom. Then guys, we have got textual insights as well. At $2.7 million, real estate investment trust had the highest revenue open and so on. So you can read your insights also. Apart from that, guys, we have got trend analytics as well, where we can do some advanced analytics trend. For example, over here, you will see this is a line chart, and this is my actual sales by date. And this is my forecasted sales by date. So I can do forecasting as well in tools like Power BI. It is basically trying to identify the patterns and it is repeating the patterns for me over here. Then guys, we have got smart outlier detection. For example, my sales was very high on this particular day, which is 7th of November. Why my sales was very high? I can click on this bubble and it will guide me towards all possible reasons. My sales was high because my discount is 12%, because my campaign is customer lead reference, my product is 1 year warranty. I can repeat all these factors again to get a higher sales again, right? And then I have got an insight section. This is the AI powered chart, also known as key influencer chart, which will help you in taking data driven decisions. For example, in which scenario you are winning a particular deal. So whenever your discount is more than 15.5%, 1.93 times chances you are going to win a deal over here. And it will give you explanation also on the right hand side, right? Again, whenever discount is more than 15.5%, we have got 93.13% chances you are going to win a deal. Along with this, guys, whenever the owner is Jordan Williams, 1.77 times chances you are going to win a deal over there. Similarly, it will guide you in which scenarios you are losing a deal over here. So whenever your owner is again Jeff Hay, 1.74 times chances you are going to lose a deal over here. All right. So this way it will guide you what to take decisions and what decisions not to take. Okay. Along with this, you have got a Q&A section as well, where you can ask your questions. For example, show me top 3 category by revenue as a donut chart. It's going to show you top 3 categories by revenue now as a donut. And you can, ask your questions just like you're talking to someone. You can export this data as well into PPT format, into PDF format, and the entire dashboard will be exported. You can chat about your dashboard in Microsoft Teams. You can also integrate AI powered analytics to Microsoft Copilot and do a lot more over here, guys. All right. So that is how if you can build this type of dashboard. This dashboard is built by one of my student Animesh as well. And you're going to see if you can add this type of professional dashboard for your portfolio, it will help you immensely going forward. Okay. That is the kind of premium dashboards that you can build for your clients and for your own portfolios as well. Okay. And if you can show it to your recruiters, again, it is going to have a different level of impact in your resume, isn't it? Okay. So I hope you understood, guys, the power and capabilities of these type of dashboards. Now let us do some real-time job analytics. Okay. So guys, for that, first of all, a lot of students were requesting on how we can connect with you over LinkedIn. So in case you want to connect with me over LinkedIn, guys, this is what you can do. So I have got a very strong community of 31,000 plus followers on LinkedIn. So if you want to be a part of that, these are all okay, analytics driven working professionals and individuals. So you can send me a connection request or a follow request as well. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do a real-time job analytics on India's biggest job portal, which is going to be Naukri.com. Okay. So let me quickly open up my own Naukri.com profile. And as you can see, this is my Naukri profile over here. I have got 100% profile completion badge as well over here, as you can see, right? Along with this, guys, I have got 84 search appearances over here as well, as you can see, with 12 recruiter actions pending from my side. Okay. And the reason why I'm able to generate that much amount of traffic on platforms like Naukri.com is because I've got 100% profile completion badge. I have got my activity levels right. I have got all the skills and everything embedded over here. For example, my resume headline, my key skills, my employment, my education. Apart from this, all my IT skills like Google Data Studio, Microsoft Excel, business analytics, data analytics, business intelligence, Tableau, Power BI, SQL, and whatnot is added over here. Right. Along with this, all my projects are published. For example, my supply chain analytical project, my sales analytics project, HR analytics, global PepsiCo performance analytics, right? Then we have got financial analytics, manufacturing analytics. So all my projects are also added step by step over here with complete description. Then my online profiles like LinkedIn profile, Credly profile is added. Then my professional certifications like Microsoft Technology Associate, Microsoft Power BI Certified Professional, Tableau Desktop Specialist, SQL Gold Badge holder is also added over here. So this way, if you can build a complete Naukri profile for yourself, it will help you immensely, guys, going forward. Okay. And now let us also do a real-time job analytics. So let me over here search by the keyword of Power BI. And guys, you're going to see we have got more than 90,000 job openings posted live by the keyword of Power BI over here, right? And if you're going to see, we have got Power BI developer is getting hired, right? Requiring skills like Power BI. Again, we have got Power BI developer over here requiring skills like data analysis, data modeling, data quality, business intelligence. Again, lead Power BI, HCL Tech, Power BI, SQL, dashboard development. PwC is hiring Power BI developer. Again, Power BI, DAX. DAX is a part of Power BI, right? Again, Cognizant is hiring Power BI plus advanced SQL, right? So along with Power BI, other skills like SQL is also important. So this way we have got bunch of Power BI job openings which require SQL also as a primary skill, right? Along with this, guys, let us learn for freshers as well. So I'm going to put the experience level to 0 years of experience. So you're going to see we have got more than 2,900 job openings posted live by the keyword of Power BI for freshers on Naukri.com. So data analyst 0 to 8 years of experience. Again, data analysts by Siemens 0 to 6 years of experience. That means starting from freshers. Again, data analyst 0 to 4, SQL, Power BI are primary skills. Again, we have got data analyst 0 to 2, Power BI as a primary skill, Tableau is a primary skill. Data analyst again, data analytics, advanced analytics, root cause analytics, right? Again, data analyst starting from freshers, Power BI, Tableau, SQL are primary skills and so on, right? Again, you can search by some other keywords also. For example, if I will search over here by the keyword of business intelligence, right? Again, you're going to see that the keywords can be different. So we have got over here 96,000 plus job openings. Accenture is bulk hiring for that. Again, we will get Power BI developer for business intelligence also. Power BI, SQL, Excel, advanced Excel, business intelligence, Power BI again, DAX. We have got data modeling, which can be done in Power BI, by the way, right? Business intelligence again, Power BI again, right? And again, if you will see for freshers, we have got around 3,200 plus job openings posted live, right? Which require business intelligence as a primary skill. Along with this, we can search for core analytical job openings as well. For example, data analysts. And you will see we have got 93,000 plus job openings posted live for that. Again, data analyst, analytical skills. We have got BigQuery skills. We have got data analyst over here as well. Again, we have got data warehousing skills, Power BI skills, Power BI SQL slash Tableau skills, data analyst skills, database skills, which is used, which is done with the help of SQL again. Again, data visualization tool, SQL, Tableau, data integrity, Excel, and so on. And even if we will check for freshers over here, guys, we have got more than, I would say, 300 jobs posted live for freshers as well, starting from 0 years of experience over here. Okay. In fact, guys, we have got our own job portal also, jobage.com. It is an exclusive job portal for Jobage learning students. And this is where the jobs get posted as well. Okay. So let me quickly open it up and show you guys. So over here, what do we do is we post the job openings for Jobage learning students. And again, any job they want to check, or all the data related job and finance related jobs are posted on this particular portal for Jobage learning students. So what we do is we try to analyze what all jobs are posted on our own channel as well, and multiple top hiring HRs, multiple recruiters. I think it is in the maintenance phase today. Today's Sunday, right? So Sunday 2 hours it's in maintenance. Okay, but anyways, so it's a job portal where jobs get posted, guys. You can check like after a couple of hours as well. And over here, multiple top hiring partners, internal hiring partners post their job openings. So we try to analyze what all jobs are trending in the market. So again, guys, skills like Power BI, DAX, Power Query, data modeling are the top skills which are trending, along with other skills like SQL, Excel, advanced Excel, Tableau, right? Even on Naukri.com, we post the job opening for that. For example, if I am going to search over here by the keyword of job art, right? So you're going to see over here also we post the job openings. For example, data analyst, again, Power BI is a primary skill. We have got data quality analyst. Again, we have got data integrity, data analytics are the primary skills over here. So this way you are going to see, we have got multiple job openings. So we try to find out that what kind of skills are trending, and we can fill in the job position for Jobage learning students as well. So I hope, guys, that you will focus upon these skills. It will help you immensely going forward. Okay. Immensely. Right. All right. So I hope you understand that. And now, guys, what we are going to do is uh, I am going to show you some personal portfolio building platform. There are multiple personal portfolio building platforms that you can choose for yourself. Okay. So let me quickly guide you on some of them. What are some websites you can choose to build a strong personal portfolio for yourself? For example, let me open my own Credly profile over here, and you're going to see that I have added all my professional badges on my Credly profile. For example, I am Tableau desktop specialist. Anyone can click on that. And if I'll click on verify, we will be able to verify that, if I'm a Tableau desktop specialist or not, because I have cleared a professional examination, which is Tableau desktop specialist itself only by Tableau. Okay. Along with this, I am Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst associate. Anyone can verify that as well. Right. And again, because I have cleared PL 300 professional examinations for that after upskilling myself under mentorship of my mentors. All right. So this way, if you can clear some professional examinations, again, you can add your badges in platforms like credly.com over here. Okay. Apart from that, guys, apart from this Credly profile, you see I am also building a HackerRank profile for myself. Okay. Okay, so now you're going to see that over here I have got a SQL gold badge in HackerRank. SQL is also primary skill, and if you can get gold badges like this, you can attach in the achievement section of your resume that I am gold badge certified in HackerRank. Right? I have solved more than 50 challenges under a mentorship, and you can also do that, right? Along with this, it is not just me. I've got bunch of students who have got a similar HackerRank profile, right? For example, if I will open Indumati portfolio, you are going to see that for Indumati, we have got Python and SQL both gold batch. And again, she has upskilled under my mentorship. And over here, you will see that all her skills are certified, whether it is SQL basics, intermediate, advanced. Anyone can click on that, and you can check her certificate. She can attach the certificate in the achievement section of her own resume as well, right? So this way, guys, students are building their advanced, portfolios as well, and they can attach all these links in their resume. Okay. Along with this, I would also like to tell you that students are also building their Power BI profile. They are publishing their work on platforms like powerbi.com. For example, this is Pradeep M portfolio, and you're going to see if I'm going to click on this, let's suppose finance view. So his finance dashboard is going to get open, which is published on Power BI. All the filters are there on the left hand side. We have got multiple type of charts, icons, tabular format. At the top, we have got KPIs, right, with targets as well. I can switch the views also. I can go to, let's suppose, the sales view, and you will see we have got a hierarchical donut chart. We have got a scatter plot over here. Then, guys, we have got marketing view over here. And you are going to see that we have got pie chart, waterfall chart, scatter plot over here as well. So this way you can publish your work on Power BI server as well, and you can attach all these links. Students are also building their virtual internship portfolio, guys. They are getting virtually internship certified by multiple big names in the industry. For example, this is Darshita Sutaria portfolio. She got virtual internship certified by big names like Accenture North America in data analytics and visualization, right? And she got certified by Tata India in data visualization, PwC Switzerland in Power BI, Quantium in data analytics. And all these are the skills in which she got certified, whether it is data analysis, analytical dashboard creation, customer segmentation, data validation, data wrangling, and so on. And she can attach all these things in a resume that I am certified by these firms, and these are the verified skill sets I have got, isn't it? So this way, guys, if you can build your advanced portfolios like your Credly portfolio, like your HackerRank portfolio, Power BI server portfolio, we have got Forage portfolio, and you can include all these things in your resume as well. For example, let me show you one of my own demo resume that I've built for the students. And you're going to see, guys, that over here, okay, over here, this is my demo resume. And everything is added, right? For example, my name, my title, my summary, right? My skill sets, my expertise, my badges, right? My work X, skills, technologies, right? Key projects engagement, award recognition, my education, my research paper links, everything is added over here. Along with this, all my badges are interactive. Anyone can click on this badge. For example, if you click on this badge, my Power BI verified profile is going to get open. So this way, guys, in case you can build one pager clean resumes for you, it will help you immensely going forward. Okay, it's a one pager clean and lean resume explaining all my expertise over there. All right, so I hope you understand. This was to give you perspective learning into the analytics domain. All right. Apart from this, guys, a lot of students also usually ask me that, Rakshit, we want to learn end-to-end Tableau, we want to learn end-to-end Power BI. So what are some platforms that we can choose to learn that? There are multiple portals available in the market, guys, as you all know that. Again, for example, we have got Power BI training over here. Individual Power BI training is going to cost you around 15,000 rupees, 14,000 rupees plus GST. Individual Power BI training is going to cost you over here around 16,000 rupees plus GST. Tableau training is going to cost you 16,000 rupees plus GST. Power BI trainings end to end is going to cost you around, I think, 17,000 rupees plus GST. So it's on an average 15,000 rupees plus GST. SQL trainings are going to cost you more or less same 16,000 rupees plus GST and so on. So again, there are multiple platforms available in the market. It is not a recommendation, guys, because I personally do not recommend heavily priced program, and I do not recommend single learning program where you are just upskilling yourself from a single tool and technology, like just learning Power BI or just learning SQL and so on. Okay. But again, just to give you an idea. All right, great progress, guys. So it's been almost 2 hours, a little bit more than 2 hours that we are learning ourselves, that we are upskilling ourselves. And again, there are two type of students who have joined this particular masterclass, guys. Particularly, the first type of students are those who want to get a brief idea into the analytics domain. And for them, guys, I think we have done a great learning so far, isn't it? We understood about the fundamentals of analytics. We understood about how can we clean our data with the help of tools like ChatGPT. We also focused upon how can we basically build end-to-end dashboards on tools like Power BI using multiple visualization techniques. Right. Along with this, guys, we also focused upon some real-time job analytics. We focused upon some personal portfolio building as well. Right. And then again, how to use multiple platforms to build a strong portfolio for yourself. So again, a great work we have done in the last, I think, more than 2 hours. So it's a very good thing for us, guys, and I hope it was above your expectation. Right. And along with this, guys, we have got category 2 students over here as well. Category 2 students are those who want to extend their learning even beyond this webinar, right? Who want to get into end-to-end mentorship based programs, who are serious towards building a career into the analytics domain, right? And who want to learn under guided programs, right? So I just want to understand from you that how many of you are from category 2 over here, guys? I just want to understand from you in the chat, okay? How many of you are from category 2 over here who want to extend their learning even beyond this webinar, want to go for end-to-end learning and so on? Okay. All right. So let me check the chat. We have got Lata Babu, we have got Deepika Pal, we have got Harish S, Onkar Pardeshi, we have got Brown Gull. I don't know your right name. Sorry for that. Okay. Apart from that, Sunny Hasija, we have got Dr. Setupati, Indu SM, we have got Swarna, we have got Kangala Sunny, Pawan M, Anjana KJ, Bhagyode B, we have got Hema Mahor as well, Shafiq Rahman, Rinki Ranjan, Winky, we have got Setu, Mahesh Kumar, Shailendra MR, Nehal. All right, seems like we have got enough participants, guys. I also want to quickly understand from you that how many hours you can spend, guys, per week, including weekend, in learning and upskilling. Okay, how many hours you can spend? Akshat Jain, we have got Sangeeta, we have got Tushar Sagar, right? How many hours you can spend per week in learning and upskilling, including weekend, right? So we have got Dharani says 3, 3 to 4 says Brown, Deepika says 2, 30 says Onkar, 2 says Sunny, 2 says Setupati, 6 to 8 says Shailendra, 30 says Kausha, 3 says Dharani, 15 says Jayakant, 2 says Divya, 4 says Tanish. I think this is fine, guys. I'll tell you, if you can spend around 3 to 4 hours per week, including weekend, in learning and upskilling, right, in upgrading yourself, then it's a good thing. In the next few months, you will realize the importance and the kind of portfolio that you will build and the kind of demand that you generate in the market. So again, guys, for all the category 2 students over here who want to upscale, upgrade themselves under my mentorship, under guided mentorship, who enjoyed the learning of this particular program until now, right, and want to extend their learning. So guys, who are serious towards building a career into the analytics domain, right? So for them, whether you are students, working professionals, or career dropouts, so for all of them, what we have done is we have launched a data and business analytics advanced certification program, guys, with a free upgrade to data science skills in specialization with Tableau and Power BI. Okay. And we have launched this program in collaboration with jobage.com, our job partner, jobagelearnings.com, our learning partner, procapitals.com, our virtual internship partner, and Ishan Groups of Institution, our scholarship partner. So with their collaboration, we have launched this end-to-end learning program under my mentorship, guys. All right. And again, all of you are equally eligible to be a part of it, whether you are students, whether you are working professional, or whether you are career dropouts, right? I will be your mentor throughout this particular program. And apart from this, guys, it is not a free program. It is a investing program where you have to invest. But again, don't worry, you don't have to spend 16,000 rupees just to learn Power BI or Tableau, just to learn a single skill. It is heavily scholarship program in collaboration with Ishan Groups of Institution that I will be talking about in some time. And I will be your mentor throughout the learning of this particular program over here. Okay. And guys, once we complete the learning of this program, you will be eligible to apply for all these job openings, whether it is data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, analytical associate, consultant, Power BI slash Tableau developer, business intelligence developer, visualization specialist, report and dashboard developer, and so on. Or if you want to apply for domain specific job roles like financial data analyst, healthcare data analyst, supply chain data analyst, research analyst, marketing data analyst, HR data analyst. So you will be eligible to apply for those job roles as well. I will be your mentor over there. Okay. And guys, it is a complete learning program. We are not going to focus upon a single skill like learning just Tableau, just Power BI over here. We are going to learn complete stack of tools and technologies over here. For example, the number one business intelligence tool, Power BI, is going to get covered. The number one ad hoc analysis tool, Microsoft Excel. Upcoming business intelligence tool, Google Data Studio. Number one database language, SQL. And number one data visualization tool, Tableau, is going to get covered end to end as a part of this particular program over here. Along with this, guys, we have to be AI workforce ready. So your AI skills like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Bard, Copilot, AI powered dashboards are also going to get covered end to end under my mentorship. Then since it's a free upgrade to data science, so your data science skills like Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, statistical concept is also going to get covered as a part of this particular program. All right. So again, it's a complete learning program. First of all, the mandatory skills are going to get covered. Then your AI skills are going to get covered. And after that, guys, your add-on skills are also going to get covered over here. So I hope you understand that. And it's a complete structured learning program. Step by step, we are going to learn and upskill over here. So your first module is going to be data core concepts. Data core concepts is the fundamental semester to get into the analytics domain. And guys, since we are coming from different backgrounds, it is very important to focus upon the data core concept, the fundamental concepts over here, which will help you focus upon the foundational aspects like what is a big data, what is metadata, what is a sentimental data analysis, what is relational database management system, difference between data lake, data center, and data server, what is exploratory data analysis, what is measure of central tendency, data imputation. So all which type of chart you should use at what point of time. So all these are fundamental analytical concepts that we are going to focus upon initially as a part of this particular program, guys, because having core knowledge is very important. Okay. And once we have that, once we get a data expert batch, then we are going to move towards the next module, which is going to be Microsoft Excel Complete Mastery. Excel is a mandatory skill, guys. We cannot ignore Excel at any cost. It is very important. More than 90% of the students who have transitioned their career under my mentorship, when I take their success stories, they have mentioned Excel as a primary skill which was asked to them in their interviews. So make sure that you learn end-to-end Excel right from basics to intermediate, and advanced concepts of Excel will be covered, and analytical based concepts of Excel like pivot table, Power Query, Power Pivot, lookup, indexing, analytical formulas and functions will be covered over here as well. We are going to target a Excel expert batch as a part of this particular program, and we are going to build dedicated dashboards on Excel, complete practical hands-on learning we are going to have. Anywhere you are stuck, I'm going to help you end to end. Even though you don't have Excel license, guys, we will use Excel online or we will use WPS Office softwares to complete our Excel assignments. Once we get Excel certified, then we are going to move towards the number one database language, which is SQL, structured query language. Again, mandatory skills, super high in demand, guys. Right from basics, we are going to learn each and every aspect of SQL. First of all, we're going to understand about database. Then we are going to understand about relational database. We are going to install a software called MySQL. It is the most widely used software, and we are going to practice all our SQL commands on that software. We are going to learn commands like select, distinct, count, where, limit, having, group by, join, self join, union, Windows functions, subqueries, and so on. And again, once we get SQL experts, then we are going to get a guaranteed gold badge on HackerRank under my mentorship. We are going to solve questions. We are going to target bronze, silver, and then gold badge on HackerRank that you can include in the achievement section of your resume, that you are gold badge certified in SQL for HackerRank and so on. Okay. So once we complete and get certified in our SQL learning, guys, then we are going to move towards the number one business intelligence tool, which is none other than Power BI. Both the level of certification, level 1 and level 2 in Power BI, we are going to complete, right from download and installation to working upon Power Query, to working upon basic visuals, advanced visuals, DAX, which is a very important part of Power BI, right? I don't know why many programs miss on DAX, but it is very, very important. Level of details, expressions, M language, right? Then we are going to focus upon AI powered charts, row level security, and a lot more. So end to end learning in Power BI also, we are going to complete as a part of this program. We are going to publish our work on Power BI server, and we will target a Microsoft certified Power BI badge as well, which will further boost our portfolio a lot. Okay. Along with this, guys, your number one dashboarding tool, Tableau, is also going to get covered over here. Both the level of certification, level 1 and level 2 for Tableau, we are going to cover as a part of this program. Right from download and installation of Tableau to working upon calculated fields, to working upon parameters, to working upon level of details expression, data modeling, to working upon data blending, building advanced dashboards. So end-to-end learning in Tableau is going to get covered, right? We are going to build our portfolio on Tableau Public, and we are going to get Tableau certified badge as well. I will help you end to end in that. Okay. So again, guys, whether it is your mandatory skills, for example, we have got Power BI, Tableau, SQL, Excel, data core concepts, or whether it is your again AI skills. For example, we have got Chat GPT, we have got AI powered dashboards, Copilot, generative AI, right? Or whether it is your add-on skills like Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Again, whether it is your soft skills, guys. So we are going to cover a soft skills module as well, where we are going to cover that how to represent yourself in interviews, how to talk frequently, how to present your insights frequently, how to improve your verbal communication skills, right? So we are going to have a soft skill training as well at the end, so that we are completely ready. Okay. And guys, right from basics, we are going to cover the skills of each and every module over here. We are going to build end-to-end projects, 15 EDA projects, 15 case study based projects, 4 visualization projects, right? 6 virtual internships that I will be talking about next. 1 capstone project we are going to build end-to-end as a part of this particular program. And guys, including this, we are going to build a virtual portfolio for ourselves as well. Apart from this, guys, your virtual and digital internships are also guaranteed as a part of it. Okay. So we are going to complete 6 digital and virtual internship. And don't worry, even if you're a working professional, all of you are equally eligible since they are digital and virtual. Okay. Your first virtual internship will be under procapitas.com, which is one of the biggest research and consulting portal, where we are going to complete our capstone projects and live assignments, and you will directly get certified by Procapitas, and I will be your mentor. Then guys, you will be doing virtual internship through PwC Switzerland, Accenture North America, Tata Quantium KPMG India, where we are going to apply our knowledge of data extraction, exploratory data analysis, data modeling, data cleaning, transformation, presentation skills, communication skills, and whatnot. And you will get 6 individual certificates. I will be your mentor throughout. These 6 certificates will boost your resume a lot, will help you a lot in resume screening and filtering, and you will have a lot to talk about in your virtual interviews as well, right? Or whatever physical interviews you will go forward with. Okay. Along with this, guys, we have got a lot of special added values included as a part of this program. For example, we have got exclusive ATS friendly resume building platform, which is built by JobAj for JobAj learning students, which contains ATS friendly resume templates for analytical students, right? And you can choose templates, build your resume. I will personally review your resume on a one-to-one call on Google Meet, because resume is the most important part of your portfolio. Then guys, you're going to get interview preparation guide containing list of important interview questions. I have taken a lot of interviews as well, so I know what kind of questions are trending in the market. So that will help you before you go to actual interviews. You will be getting one-to-one live mock interview. It is optional if you want to go forward with this. We will be having one-to-one live mock interview as well, where I'm going to take a mock interview of you on a Google Meet so that you are confident when you go to actual interview. And you will be getting dedicated job assistance as a part of this particular program, right? So under that, guys, we have got jobage.com as our job partner. Jobage.com has been ranked as one of the top 5 job portals operating in the country right now, with a database of more than 6 lakh jobs. I will be showing that as well. So jobage.com is going to be our exclusive job partner, and they are our parent firm as well. And we are one of the very few firms across India who have got their in-house job partner, right? So jobage.com is going to be our in-house placement assistance partner. You can Google that as well. Jobage.com. You can just write that. Okay. Along with these special added values, guys, where do we differentiate ourselves? So we have got 92% completion rate for this program for the previous batch. Along with this, we have got interactive hybrid mode of learning, where you get 120 plus hours of on-demand lectures with lifetime access to those lectures, with lifetime access to the updates. Along with this, guys, you get weekend live classes. Every weekend, 12 p.m., we are going to have a live class. I will be your mentor in that live class, just like this. Even if you miss the live class, you will get proper recordings, proper notes, and data set for that. Along with this, guys, you will be getting 24/7 Discord support, where you will be added to a premium Discord group where you can ask any question at any point of time. I am more than happy to interact with you, guide you, and assist you on my Discord portal. You will be getting unlimited career counseling as a part of this program. That is the most important feature that our students use, which is you can connect with your mentor, that is me, on one-to-one basis, guys, on a audio call, video call, one-to-one chat at any point of time, any number of time, to discuss about your personalized career questions, to discuss about your personalized roadmap, or any question in general. That is why it's a mentorship based program, and that is why we have got limited 40 students batch that we are forming. Okay. So this is where we differentiate, guys. And again, we have got a very strong backing from jobage.com. They are our parent firm. They keep us sending job proposals for Jobage learning students. They have got a team of 32 plus HRs who scrap and uploads the job for us as well. And they offer 100% placement assistance to Jobage learning students. Along with this, guys, we have got exclusive referral community where Jobage learning alumni have already transitioned their career. They help other students in getting referrals as well, right? Apart from this, I also have a very strong connects in almost all the analytical firms like Tiger Analytics, Fractal Analytics, Mu Sigma, or tech giants like Wipro, Accenture, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, or big four giants like PwC, EY, KPMG, Deloitte, or banking giants like we have got American Express, Citibank. So I also refer my students on job IDs, because once you get referrals, your profile moves very, very high in priority. And apart from that, guys, as I told you, it's a complete mentorship based program with personalized mentorship, personalized guidance. I am just a message or a call away on my Discord portal. It's a live call, hand holding support that you're going to get from my side. Okay. Along with this, guys, I would also like to tell you that there is no prior knowledge required. All of you are equally eligible to be a part of analytics domain. Whether you are students, working professional, career dropout, all I would need from your end is an internet connection and a growth mindset, which I believe you must be having. Okay. And this is the roadmap that we are going to have. First of all, guys, we are going to have orientation on next week, Wednesday, which is 16th of October, late evening. We are going to have orientation at 9 p.m. when everyone is free. Then we are going to start our learning of data core concepts, Microsoft Excel complete mastery, SQL and HackerRank portfolio, Python NumPy Pandas Kaggle portfolio, Tableau public portfolio, Power BI server portfolio. We are going to do virtual internship through procapitas.com, digital internship through PwC, Tata, KPMG, Quantium. You'll get certified by Jobage Learning. You'll get professional examination certification unlocked as well, like Tableau Desktop Specialist, Microsoft Certified Power BI Professional. And then, guys, in placement assistance, you will get one-to-one resume building, one-to-one job profile optimization, dedicated referral leads, dedicated job leads, and one-to-one mentorship from my side, end-to-end, right? Whatever your goals are. And guys, I am super proud to tell you that we have got a bunch of alumni who have transitioned their career under my mentorship on Jobage Learning. For example, this is Pratham Bansal, who got placed from BCom domain to a financial data analyst. He got placed in Planify Capital, sharing his experience, his skill set with us. Apart from this, we have got over here, not not the long drive mashup. Okay. Apart from this, guys, we have got over here Prasad, who switched his career from customer support domain to a data analyst in Viral Mint. Apart from this, we have got Sheikh Amir, who got placed in Nextford as a data analyst, and he was from sales domain. Then, guys, we have got Henel over here, who got placed from jobless to a data scientist. And we have got bunch of success stories from the previous batch. So in the last 4 months, you can check all the success stories which are posted on our own channel. On every bi-weekly manner, our success stories get posted over here. Whether it is Shubham getting placed in Dilupa yesterday only, right? We got the offer letters. Apart from that, whether it is Rishi getting placed as data analyst in Gurgaon, Saiba getting placed in Bangalore, cleared 8 rounds to become a data analyst in Wipro. Similarly, we have got over here Abhinaya placed in HR data analytics. We have got Kavya marketing data analytics, and so on. So these are all previous batch students that we have got. Again, Akshay from sales domain to a data analyst. Again, switched from BCA domain to data analytics field. Apart from this, we have got Darshan, career gap to data analyst. We have got Riaz. We have got over here Danish. We have got Deep, Yash, Hafsa Wahab from research background to a data consultant, right? We have got over here Wood Mackenzie, Shri Santi got placed as a data analyst. We have got Julie, Sandeep, who got placed from teaching domain to a data consultant. These are all success stories of our previous batch student, which we formed 4 months ago, right? So this way, guys, bunch of success stories get posted on our own channel as well, from sales, customer support domain to a data consultant, and so on, right? And again, we have got Rakesh, BSc to a data analyst, Abhinav Kumar, business intelligence specialist, right? We have got over here Vinay Kumar, BCom career gap to data consultant. We have got Nikhil. This is previous to previous batch, right? Nikhil Rishabh Rathod getting placed as junior data scientist in Samsung. Ishita Roy, career gap to operational data analyst. Again, Vinay Kumar, Vipin Rao, sorry, sales, civil background to analytical project manager, right? Business analyst Ishita Pandey, and so on. And right now, guys, what we are doing is we are forming the second batch of Lakshya 2024 over here. Okay. In the second batch of Lakshya 2024, we are focusing upon impactful learning. We are focusing upon affordable learning as well. And guys, we have done a collaboration tie-up with Ishan Groups of Institution for that. Okay. So we are forming the Lakshya 2024 second batch for data and business analytics department. Again, with a free upgrade to data science over here, right? And we have done a collaboration with Ishan Groups of Institution, which is our corporate social responsibility partner over here. It's a high-end technical and management institute, and they have agreed to fund 76% of the price of this program under their corporate social responsibility initiative over here. Okay. And again, for limited students, we were able to get 76% additional scholarship under CSR collaboration from Ishan, which was covered in Hindustan Times as well, that jobaj.com and Ishan Groups of Institution collaborate to open new opportunities. So this way, guys, we keep on doing multiple collaborations to fund our initiative, to sustain our mission, to use their placement resources, training materials, and whatnot. Again, so Ishan Groups of Institution is going to be our corporate social responsibility tie-up partner over here. And guys, the investment in this program before our CSR collaboration with Ishan was around 35K plus GST, which included all the learning, whether it is Power BI, Tableau, Python, NumPy, Pandas, Excel, SQL, data core concepts, Looker Studio, your soft skills, communication skills, your EDA projects, right? Your case study based projects, your virtual internships, one-to-one mentorship, resume building, and so on. Everything was covered under 34K plus GST. But with our strong placement records and with our initiative, we were able to get a CSR scholarship from Ishan, and flat 76% additional scholarship you are going to get on original pricing over here for 35 seats, right? So 35 students, guys, will be getting this program at a flat scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST. That's it. Okay. Lakshya 2024 is the coupon code. I will guide you where you can apply that. And with this, you will be also getting 6 months of ChatGPT plus subscription worth 10,000 rupees, where you can explore advanced GPT. So we always have to be at the top of our game, right? So 6 months worth of ChatGPT plus subscription will also be given to you as a part of it. Okay. Lakshya 2024 is the coupon code, guys. I will guide you where to apply that. 6,999 plus GST is the final amount for this particular program under my mentorship for 35 students over here. And guys, this program will take us around 4 to 4.5 months to complete. However, you can take more time as well, 5, 6 months as well, no issues. There is no expiry fees or there is no renewal fees. Everything is available under 6,999 plus GST under lifetime access. But on an average, it will take us around 4 to 4.5 months to complete the learning of this program, where we will target Penta certification from JobAj Learning on completion of data and business analytics advanced certification program, on completion of free upgrade to data science program, by procapitas.com on completion of virtual internship under their analytics department, by PwC Switzerland on completion of Power BI virtual internship through Forage, by Accenture North America on completion of data analytics virtual internship through Forage, or by Quantium, where we are going to complete advanced analytics virtual internship through Forage. And guys, we have got complete brochure page in place as well, which contains the entire details that I have discussed so far. So this is data and business analytics advanced certification program in specialization with both Tableau and Power BI with a free upgrade to data science over here. And guys, we have launched this program with 40 students batch, and we were able to get 35 scholarship. We were requesting for all 40, but as of now, we are able to get 35 scholarships. And students can simply click on apply today and they can apply the coupon code over here, guys, Lakshya 2024. And once you apply that, you are going to get this program at a flat scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST. That's it. And there are two batches which we are forming: 15th of October, which is Lakshya 2024 second batch, and 15th of January, Lakshya 2025. For Lakshya 2025, we are not able to get scholarship as of now because that will depend upon our performance of Lakshya 2024 batch. Okay. So as of now, it is not under scholarship, but Lakshya 2024 second half is under scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST. That's it, guys. And over here also, there are two ways in which you can book your seat. The first way in which you can book your seat over here is in a one shot payment of 6,999 plus GST, where your seat will get reserved instantaneously, and instant access you are going to get for this program within 15 seconds on JobAj Learning. And you can start your learning. Dedicated batch will be formed by 15th, and proper orientation we are going to have by 16th late evening. And guys, there are two ways in which you can book your seat. As I told you, first is one shot payment of 6,999 plus GST. Second is the booking amount. In case you are falling short of cash, you can also book your seat in a booking amount of just 1,100 rupees over here, guys, right? This way, your seat will get reserved under the scholarship amount of 6,999, right? And we are going to have proper batch formation by 15th, proper induction by 16th late evening. And after orientation at later point of time, you can clear the remaining dues as well, which is 6,999 minus 1,100, which is 5,899 plus GST. Okay. So both ways you can clear your dues, whether it is one shot payment or whether it is a booking amount over here. Along with this, guys, the team has given you two links in the chat section. The first link is the full brochure link. This is the full brochure link, which contains complete details as well, whatever I've told you so far. And the coupon code that you have to apply over here is Lakshay, LAKSHAY 2024. And the team has given you a checkout link as well, guys. On checkout link, the coupon code is already applied over there. Okay. On checkout link, the coupon code is already applied. They will be dropping the link in the chat section now. And guys, again, you can book your seat through a checkout link also. Checkout link is a direct link. And over here, as you can see, the coupon code is already applied. And again, just wait, Nitin. The team will be dropping the link in the chat in like a few seconds, in 30 seconds. Don't worry on that. Guys, in checkout link, you just have to mention your name, email ID, phone number, select any mode of payment, whether it is one shot payment or whether it is a booking amount, and the seat will get reserved under the scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST, or you can book your seat in a booking amount of 1,100 rupees over here. Okay. Apart from this, guys, now your career counseling also starts, right? Any question you want to ask with respect to your mentorship, right? Anything. Okay. Anything that you want to discuss with respect to your career or personalized roadmap, any question whatsoever, you can ask it in the chat section. I'm going to answer all your questions. Even if we have got 50 questions, I will answer all. Don't worry on that. So anything that you want to discuss, you can discuss, guys. We are open to enrollment. The team has given you the link in the chat section. Both link they have given you. Full brochure link also they have given you, where you can manually apply the coupon code. They have given you a checkout link as well, where the coupon code is already applied. I will be your mentor throughout this particular program, guys. If you want to download the brochure, guys, you can click on this download brochure button, and the brochure will be downloaded in the PDF format as well. All right, Nikita. So you can download the brochure from the full brochure link, and brochure will also get downloaded in the PDF format over here. Okay. So let me check. Yes, we are going to have weekend live classes. I will be your mentor in that live class. Even if you miss it, you will get lifetime recordings with notes and data set with dedicated 24/7 Discord support, right? Where you can ask any sort of doubt at any point of time. And one-to-one mentorship is included over here as well. Okay. Uh, all right. Okay, I'm not sure what kind of program you have enrolled earlier, Dia. So over here, as you know, what do you need to get into the analytics domain? You would need the projects. So we are doing 15 EDA projects, 15 case study based projects, virtual internships, visualization projects. We would need, along with projects, virtual portfolios where you can prove, right, that this is your work. So we are going to build our portfolios in platforms like Kaggle.com, HackerRank.com, Forage.com, Tableau Public, Power BI Server, so that you have a proof of your work. After that, what do you need? You need preparation, interview preparation guide, mock interview. So I'm going to take a mock interview to guide you. After that, what do you need? Resume. You need to have a perfect resume. So we are going to have multiple one-to-one sessions to build a good resume. And after that, you would need certain communication skills, right? How to present yourself in interviews, how to improve your communication skills in general, presentation skills in general. That is also included. And then dedicated placement assistance from the team of JobArch will be unlocked. Okay. And at the top of that, it is a scholarship based program for 35 seats over here. So that is how we are going to follow dedicated roadmap right from basics till the end, all under my mentorship. And you don't have to worry that, my program will get expired and all. So again, it's a lifetime access program, lifetime access to my mentorship as well. In fact, 2020 students are also in touch with me right now, right? So they also discussed. Yes, Abe, 6,999 plus GST, the final amount. You can book your seat in a one-shot payment of 6,999 only. You can book your seat in a booking amount of 1,100 as well. Both ways you can book your seat. Again, Ravinder, same answer to you. 6,999 plus GST is the final amount. You can book your seat in a one-shot payment of 6,999 or in a booking amount of 1,100. Guys, the team has given you links both in the chat section as well as they have given you the links in your WhatsApp group as well. You can just check it once, okay? In case you are facing any issue, you can directly post your question in the chat section. I am more than happy to help you and guide you. Electrical background program beneficial me to switch to IT. So again, we are going to move towards techno-functional job role assess. It is not an IT job role. It's a techno-functional job role. Okay. Where you need some tools, some technologies, some IT skills, some data skills, some business skills, some presentation skills. So it's a complete end-to-end learning that we are going to focus upon over here as a part of it. Okay. I will be your mentor over there. And we have got bunch of students from electrical domain as well. I've got Naveen from electrical domain, switched his career as analytical project manager in Bescom Bangalore. Again, Onkar, the link is shared with you in the chat section also. The link is shared with you in your WhatsApp group as well. Both ways you can do that. The programming language that you're going to learn will come under add-on skills. So Chiranjeevi, we are going to learn Python as well. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib are included since it's a free upgrade to data science program, right? So Python is included over here. Don't worry on that. Okay. All right. 6,999 is the whole fees, Lata Babu. It is not per month fees. 6,999 is the entire fees for this program, guys. It is not per month. Okay. So don't get confused. 6,999 is the final amount for this particular program under my mentorship. There will be no extra money beyond that. Don't worry on that. Your certificates, internship, project, mentorship, resume building, everything is going to get included over there. Okay. So weekends, live classes we are going to have, weekdays on-demand lectures. So to the best of your capacity, you can spend your time in upskilling, Swati. Around 3-4 hours is a good amount of time. If you can spend more, that is also fine. On an average, you have to maintain that number. Okay. That will be helpful for you. Okay. Yes, including practice and all, 3-4 hours is a good amount of time that you can. Again, dedicated placement assistance SS will be given to you as a part of it. And you can read the success stories on our own channel. We are one of the top portals who post their success stories on our channel as well, so that anyone can check it, right? Anyone can have a look at it. Okay. Weekends, live classes, Lata. Weekdays, on demand, self-paced learning, 24/7 Discord support you're going to get from my side. Okay. Apart from this, guys, you can read. We have got bunch of success stories over here, as you can see over here. And by the way, before I move ahead, 9 students have already reserved their seats as a part of this program, guys. So 9 seats have already been booked over here. Last 31 seats are remaining. Okay. So 9 students have booked their seats in a one shot payment of 6,999 plus GST, or you can book your seat in a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Both ways you can reserve your seat over here. Okay. Last 31 seats are remaining, guys. Top 35 students can reserve their seats in a one shot payment or in a booking amount of just 1,100 rupees. Right. So I would like to welcome over here. All right, so we have got Rishi Lakshmanan, Priyanka Mehra, Arjun Nair, Kavya Oberoi, Dev Patil, Shruti Pradhan, Siddharth Rai, Meera Reddy, and Alok Saha. Welcome to this program, guys. Dedicated batch is going to get formed by 15th itself. Proper orientation, links, and reminders will be given to you. For 16th late evening, we are going to have it, right? Again, proper reminders will be given to you for that, right? From day one, don't worry on that. And in the orientation itself, I will guide you how you can connect with me on my Discord portal, how you can have interaction with me, how you can set up calls with me, what is the flow of this program. In detail, we will discuss about roadmap as well. I know I discussed about roadmap over here in detail, but in more detail, we will discuss about roadmaps and everything in our orientation. Okay. Apart from this, guys, we have got bunch of success stories. These are all students who have upskilled under my mentorship from the previous batch. And with the right dedication, right commitment, right projects, right portfolio, right resume, right skill sets, again, all of us are equally eligible to be a part of it. I will be your mentor throughout your learning, guys. Okay. And what are these success stories all about? So these are students who have transitioned their career, Akansha, right? So they share about their experience, their skill sets, their tools, their background, their technology that they upskilled in, what kind of projects they have built for themselves, what kind of questions were asked to them in their interviews, what kind of work they do right now. So these are the success stories all about, so that you can learn from from their experience as well, isn't it? Then, guys, we have got over here Darshan bridged the career gap, and he got placed. Again, he took a career gap, and again he switched his career. Again, don't didn't waste his time in cribbing about his career gap. He made sure that he started upskilling himself, upgrading himself. Again, don't spend lakhs of rupees in that, right? Upscale, upgrade yourself under scholarship based program. And again, he invested that, and again, he's right now placed as a data analyst as well. We have got Hafsha Wahab as well from research domain. She transitioned her career as a data analyst. Again, talking about her job profile, talking about what kind of future she sees for herself and for analytics, how job learning helped her end to end, what kind of conclusion she has got, right? Along with this, we have got over here Devyanshi, we have got Julie over here who switched their career into the analytics domain, sharing about their skill sets, sharing about the required skills to get into the analytics domain, overall experience that they have got, and what kind of conclusion they have, what kind of advice they have for the future analytics aspirant. This way, guys, we have got teaching domain to a data analyst as well. This is Sandeep, right? From teaching domain, he switched his career to a data analyst, again, sharing his experience, his skill sets, his roadmap, his projects, his portfolios, and whatnot. And you can interact with all of them, guys. These are all previous batch students over here. And along with this, we have got Manikanta as well from sales, customer support domain to a data analyst. Again, sharing his experience, his skill sets, his roadmap, right? His mindset. And that is what you should look forward to while enrolling for advanced programs as well. First of all, check your mentors, right? Are you able to sync with that mentor? Second of all, check the curriculum roadmap. Third of all, check the history, right? How long that particular organization has been in. So we are into existence since 2017. And apart from this, yes, upskilled more than 50,000 students as well. And apart from that, guys, I have got 7 years of experience into the analytics domain, working experience. And apart from that, I have 5 years of training experience as well into the analytics domain. Along with this, the last thing that you can check is the placement cell, right? So what kind of, do they have any alumni? Do they have any alumni network, right? Who have transitioned their career? So these are the things that you can check for yourself as well. And apart from that, it's your decision whether you want to upskill or not. Along with this, we have got Abhinav Kumar as well over here, got placed as business intelligence specialist. By the way, that answer was for you again, Prateek. Okay. Along with this, guys, we have got over here a business intelligence specialist, right? And again, the name can be different, right? Data analyst, business analyst, data consultant, data associate, business intelligence specialist. But again, the work that they are going to do is more or less same. Talking about their skill sets, about their background, interview questions, HR round questions, what kind of recommendation that they have for the future analytics aspirant. We have got Rakesh over here from BSc domain to a data analyst, again sharing about his educational qualification, about his background, about the interview questions being asked to him, the kind of work he do, and what kind of roadmap he followed to get into the analytics domain. Along with this, guys, 14 students have already reserved their seats as a part of this program. 14 students have booked their seats right now, guys. So 5 more seats got reserved. Okay. So last 26 seats are remaining as a part of it. And guys, top 35 students can book their seat in a scholarship amount of 6,999 or in a booking amount of 1,100. Both ways you can do that. Okay. So top 35 can do that. 14 students have already booked their seats. You can book your seat in one short payment also on applying the coupon code Lakshya 2024. You can book your seat through a checkout link as well. You can book your seat in one short payment also, booking amount also, right? Any way you can do that. All right. I would like to welcome Bala Chandra. We have got Mohan Ram. We have got Disha Thakur, Rahul Surana, and Ananya Singh. Welcome to this particular program, guys. Apart from this, any question you might have, you can feel free to post your question in the chat section. I am more than happy to guide you and assist you over here. Okay. All our certificates are ISO certified. We have got international students as well, right? All our certificates are internationally valid ONCAR. Okay. And the validation of our certificates is also for lifetime, right? So don't worry on that. Okay. Along with this, no, in college, Deepika, they ask that. For example, if you're studying in college, right? So from college placements, they can ask you that you should have, again, 60%, filtering of marks in 10, 10, 12, because they have to filter out students. But after college, when you go for off-campus placement and internship, so resume is the key part with which they filter your profile, with which they decide, whom to call for next rounds or not, right? So after college, again, they focus upon resumes, projects, referrals. Referrals are also very important. But during college, they might focus upon, the marks, the 12th marks, and so on. Okay. I have 23 experience in project management, project program management, how this course will help me. So again, Manik Roy, if you want to upscale yourself, upgrade yourself into the analytical skills, if you use data analytics in your day-to-day life, if you use Excel in your day-to-day life, and if you think that you manage team, you manage products, and they have an analytical team that you have to manage for them, right? Then of course, this program will be for you. End-to-end analytical skills we are going to learn over here as a part of it. Okay. Salary package for freshers depend upon the companies that you're applying for, but it starts from 4.5 to 5 LPA. It starts from that. But again, it highly varies depending upon the company. There is no end to that. Okay. There is no end to that. I will be showing you that, but it starts from, again, 4.5 to 5. Okay. For absolute freshers. All right. So I hope you understand that. Okay. Along with this, guys, any other question? Is Power BI Tableau both included? Yes, Kapil, both are included over here. And along with Power BI Tableau, there are other skills as well which are included over here. Don't worry on that, right? SQL, Excel, data core concepts, soft skills, Power BI. We have got Tableau, Power Query, DAX, Looker Studio, and so on. Again, guys, we have got Vinay Kumar over here from BCom background, career gap background, transitioning his career. Again, talking about his prior experience, talking about his prior educational background, which was BCom. Again, most important topics in SQL, interview questions being asked to him, and what kind of roadmap he followed to get into the analytics domain. Along with this, we have got Nikhil over here, guys, who switched his career to a junior data scientist in Samsung. We have got Rishabh Rathod as well, junior data scientist in Samsung. Again, sharing his experience, his skill sets, how job learning helped him, what kind of questions were asked to him in his interviews. We have got career gap to operational data analyst. This is Ishita Roy. Again, sharing her experience over here, why she took a career gap, how she tackled the career gap. Apart from this, we have got Ishita Pandey as well, who got placed as a business analyst, guys. And you will see that a lot of people have misconception that to get placed as a business analyst, you have to be from a MBA background. It is not true, guys. She's also just a grad over here. And you will see over here, we have got skill sets, we have got important topics to focus upon, interview process, her final capstone project, which was credit card fraud detection. And we have her Kaggle profile also. This is the Kaggle profile of Ishita, where she published her project, which was credit card fraud detection over here, as you can see, right? So this way, students submit their case study based assignments to me. They submit their capstone projects to me as well for reviewal and approval. And this way, we include that in our repository so that other students can also refer that. Along with this, guys, we have got bunch of students who have transitioned their career under my mentorship recently, also in the past week also. As you can see over here, we have got Shivam, we have got Rishi, we have got Saiba, cleared 8 rounds of interview, and she got placed as a data analyst in BCom. Oh, sorry, in Wipro. From BCom and sales domain, she switched her career. right? Along with this, you're going to see we have got multiple other students. For example, Abhinaya got placed as a HR data analyst in Kotak Mahindra Bank, again sharing her experience, her skill sets and roadmap. So this way a bunch of success story get posted on our own channel as well. Okay. Along with this, guys, 21 seats have been reserved as a part of this program. So 21 students have booked their seats in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST, or in a booking amount of 1,100. Both ways you can do that. Okay, as you can see. And last 19 seats are remaining for this particular batch, guys. And again, Prashant, your virtual internships are also included. I will be showing you all the portals of virtual internship also, right? So we have dedicated portals for virtual internship. We have dedicated portal for Job Arch. We have dedicated portal for learning, which is Job Arch Learning, and so on, right? I will be showing you all those portals one by one. Okay. So guys, last 19 seats are remaining. Top 35 students can book their seat in a one-shot payment of 6,999 or in a booking amount of 1,100. I would like to welcome over here Vikram Datta, Manisha Dayal. We have got Karan Chakraborty, Naina Bajaj, Rajiv Avasti, Priya Yadav, and Akash Verma. Welcome to this particular program. Proper batch is going to get formed by 15th of October, guys, and proper orientation by 16th of October, late evening, we are going to have. Okay. Along with this, we have got diverse experience also, guys. For example, sales, civil background to analytical project manager. Again, sharing about his skill sets, interview questions, HR round questions, and so on. We have got fresher success stories also. This is Ashwati Dinesh. Right from fresher, she switched her career to eClerx Pune. eClerx is a listed company in Pune, guys. Again, talking about what kind of skills she possesses in Excel, what are her skill sets, how many rounds of interview she had, interview questions being asked to her, and what is the advice she has got for the future analytics aspirant. Along with this, we have got K. Karuna, who got placed in Cap Gemini Bangalore. Again, sharing her experience. So, guys, again, if you are ready to listen to your mentors and if you are ready to follow the instructions for the next few months, complete your learning, submit your projects assignment, build a resume with me, right? Again, I am more than happy to help you and assist you end to end towards whatever goal you have. For example, you just want to upskill, upgrade, you want to build a strong portfolio, you want to go for internal job posting, you want to switch your career, start your career. Again, I will be helping you end to end on that, right? Okay. Along with this, we have someone was asking about electrical domain, right? So this is electrical domain, guys. This is again Naveen, who switched his career from electrical background to analytical project manager. In Bescom Bangalore, he got placed. Again, talking about his tools and technologies, data collection process, data analysis, and so on. We have got non-tech background to business analyst journey as well. This is Aryan Surana talking about how one-to-one mentorship helped him. We have got Khushi Yadav, who took a career gap of 5 years and then again switched her career into the analytics domain, talking why she took a career gap and what kind of skills she possessed, what kind of skills she targeted, what kind of projects she built for herself, and how she tackled the questions with respect to career gap over here. Along with this, Hariharan, from jobless to a data analyst, he got placed in Topple Merrill, Chennai. Along with this, we have got dual offer students as well. For example, Jagjit Kalra got two job offers, one from Mu Sigma as a decision scientist in Bangalore, and one from Expand My Business as a business analyst in Gurgaon. He chose the second one because of location preferences. Okay. Along with this, we have got over here Dharmesh Sutar, who got placed from mechanical domain to a data analyst in Limbudi fashion. We have got Binod over here, got switched his career to a data analyst. We have got over here Sreshta Upadhyay, who got placed as a Power BI developer in Greenpoint Global, and so on, guys. So this way we post bunch of success stories on our own channel as well. And your generative AI program is also included. So we have to be AI workforce ready. So your generative AI skills, for example, we have got chat GPT skills. For example, prompt based engineering in chat GPT, writing effective prompts on chat GPT, right? Again, concepts of token on chat GPT. What is AI powered reporting, AI powered data visualization in, again, so end to end AI skills are also going to get covered with chat GPT plus subscription for 6 months. Chat GPT plus is a paid version for 6 months. You're going to get that as well, powered by Ishan student credentials over here. Okay. So let me check some questions till then as well. Who is going to be my mentor in the live class, guys? I will be your mentor in the live class. Don't worry on that. End to end assistance you're going to get. Will I get what if I am not able to attend live class? So will I get recording? Yes, guys, you will get recordings on that. JobArch Learning is the portal where the recordings will get uploaded. I will be showing you, and lifetime access you get for notes, recordings, and everything. How often can I connect with my mentor? You can connect at any point of time. Discord is my portal. I will be showing you how students connect with me on my Discord portal over there. Okay. All right. Along with this, you can read the top performers journeys over here as well. Who is this program for? All the students who are right now in their college, first, second, third, fourth year, who want to upskill, upgrade themselves. Or again, who want to go for a virtual internship, off-campus placements, right? Who want a proper mentorship till the placement companies come in their college, are all eligible to be a part of this program. I will be your mentor throughout. Okay. If you're a working professional, working in any domain, any department, want to switch your career, start your career, want to apply for internal job posting, right? Again, want to get a career hike in the next 3 4 months, you're targeting that. So again, of you are equally eligible. I will be your mentor for that as well. Along with this, if you have a career gap because of any reason, for example, government exam preparation, right? You took a career gap and now again you want to start your career gap. I will be guiding you through dedicated personalized roadmap. If you are a fresher straight out of college, or if you are a career switcher, for example, you are from law domain and you want to switch your career into the analytics domain, all of you are equally eligible for that as well. All right. And this is the tentative weekly learning that we have got. And before that, guys, 25 seats have been booked right now. So 25 students have reserved their seats under a scholarship amount of 6,999 or in a booking amount of 1,100. So 25 students have booked their seats right now. Okay. Last 15 seats are remaining over here, and top 35 students can reserve their seats. All right. Top 35 students can reserve their seats over here, right? Last 15 seats are remaining. Again, guys, you can book your seat in a one shot payment, also in a booking amount also. If I reserve my seat in a booking amount, when I can I pay the remaining? You can pay after orientation as well. Booking amount, Sandeep, is not a additional amount. It is included in the final pricing. You just have to pay the remaining, which is 6,999 minus 1,100. All right. Guys, last 15 seats are remaining and total 10 seats are remaining for scholarship pricing, because only top 35 students can book their seat under scholarship pricing over here. Okay. I would like to welcome, we have got Rohan Jaiswal, Priya Iyer, Rishi Hanumanan, and Aditi Gajjar. Welcome to this particular program. Proper batch is going to get formed by 15, proper orientation by 16 late evening. Proper links and reminders will be given to you. Okay. Along with this, guys, your tentative weekly learning is there. For example, week 1, we are going to focus upon data core concepts, the fundamental semester to get into the analytics domain, like why data is the new oil, Amazon, Netflix case studies, different job roles in data, what does Gartner says, different types of data analysis that will create a interest in the field of analytics. Then we have got data literacy concepts, like what is big data, what is metadata, what is RDBMS, data wrangling, outlier detection, EDA, granularity, aggregation, right? So this will basically set you for the future semesters, right? Then, guys, we have got Microsoft Excel Complete Mastery. 150 plus lectures are dedicated just for Excel learning. That is how powerful Excel is. Okay. End-to-end learning in Excel we are going to do as a part of it, guys. Along with this, we have a research team as well who try to identify what are the skills trending in the market. What are the skills HRs are looking for, right? So Google Data Studio, Looker Studio is an important skill which we have included at no extra cost for this batch student. SQL level 1, SQL level 2, SQL HackerRank Gold batch is also included as a part of it. Power BI level 1, Power BI level 2 is also included. Tableau level 1, level 2 included. And your add-on skills like Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, statistical concept is also included as a part of this particular program. All right. Along with this, you don't have to be from an IT background to get into the analytics domain. All of you are equally eligible to be a part of it. And again, guys, I am more than happy to assist you and guide you. And I am also from electronics domain over here, right? Who have switched this career. And all your virtual internships are included as a part of this program. 6 virtual internship we are going to do. Certificates are included, and I will be your mentor throughout those virtual internship. Anywhere you're stuck, I'm going to guide you. And there is no extra fees for that. It is included under 6,999 plus GST. And again, guys, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to be a part of this exclusive data community. This is procapitas.com, by the way. This is where we are going to do our first virtual internship. It's a research and consulting portal. This is where all the research articles, this is where all the research podcast gets published, latest research news gets published as well. And again, we are going to do dedicated virtual internship with procapitas.com, and you will directly get certified also by procapitas.com over here. Okay. And of course, I will be your mentor. Don't worry on that, Aditi, right? Okay. Along with this, guys, we are going to solve capstone projects and live assignments in this ProCapitas virtual internship. All right. Apart from this, any career related question, guys, you want to ask, any personalized career counseling question you want to ask, feel free to post your question. I am monitoring all your questions in the chat section as well. Okay. So feel free to do that. It is your extensive career counseling as well. Okay. Along with this is just your first virtual internship, guys, through ProCapitas. The next one that we have got is with Tata. With Tata, we are going to have data visualization, empowering business with effective insights, and you will directly get certified by Tata over here. Okay. It's a data visualization empowering business with effective insights virtual internship program. And guys, it's a job simulation program. That means what all tasks a data analyst perform in their day-to-day life, we are going to simulate the same task in this virtual internship as well. Okay. Along with this, you're going to see that these are all the skills in which you will get certified. For example, visualization, data analysis, data interpretation, data visualization, data cleanup, dashboarding skills, and all the documents that we are going to complete, we are going to embed in our resume and LinkedIn profile as well. First of all, we will get introductory video from Tata CCC officers. After that, we are going to complete all the tasks one by one as well. Okay. For example, we have got framing the business scenario over here. Framing the business scenario is very important, guys, because first of all, we always have to understand that how my insights, how my data analysis dashboard is going to help the business stakeholders at the end, right? What kind of business use case I am going to solve. And after that, we are going to move towards task 2, where we will learn how to choose the right visuals, right? We will learn about that because we have got 4 types of visuals. We have got relationship visuals, which is known as scatter plot, comparison visuals like bar charts. We have got distribution visuals like histogram, compositional visuals like stack bar charts, pie charts, donut charts. So we will learn which type of visual we have to choose at what point of time. Task 3 will be creating effective visuals on platforms like Tableau and Power BI. And task 4 will be communicating your insights and analysis. So your soft skills presentation is also going to get covered as a part of this particular program. Your next virtual internship will be with Accenture in navigating numbers. We are going to advise a social media client on their content strategy as a data analyst at Accenture, right? It is also going to be a job simulation internship. And these are all the skills in which you will get certified, like teamwork, strategy, project planning, data understanding, data modeling. When you have these type of practical exposure, right, then only you will be able to build a strong portfolio for yourself. Okay. And the certificates that you are going to get will look somewhat like this. As you can see, your name powered by Forage through Accenture, right? That will boost your portfolio even further. Okay. Along with this, guys, there are multiple tasks that we are going to complete in Accenture virtual internship also. For example, project understanding. We're going to understand the responsibility, the task of a data analyst at Accenture, typical project team structure. Task 2 will be data cleaning and data modeling. We are going to clean the data extensively. We are going to do data modeling as well extensively over here. Data modeling means merging your data, establishing relationship between tables, joining union operations, and so on. Task 3 will be data visualization and data storytelling. We're going to make sure that we visualize our data end to end. We tell a good story with the help of our data as well. And task 4 is going to be, guys, presentation of our work to the client. So we are going to have soft skills also in our program. And then we are going to implement those soft skills in this virtual internship. All right. The next virtual internship is going to be with PwC Switzerland in Power BI. And it's a job simulation virtual internship again. These are all the skills in which you will get certified, like Power BI dashboard, defining KPI, insights and actions, and so on. I will be your mentor throughout, guys. And over here, you will see, first of all, we will get introductory video from Tata CCC officers and PwC CCC officers. And after that, again, all the tasks will be mentioned over here as well. Okay, step by step tasks we are going to complete. Okay, let me check some questions as well over here. If I pay amount 1100, then you just have to pay the pending amount, the remaining amount, right? Swarna Lakshmi, if you book your seat in 1100 rupees, you just have to pay the remaining amount at later point of time, which is 6999 minus 1100. In flexible mode of payment, you can do that after orientation. No issues in that. Okay, don't worry on that. Okay. Now in this guys Power BI virtual internship, we are first of all going to have an introduction to the project, introduction to the data, to the business case study we are going to solve. Task 2 will be call center trends. We are going to understand we are going to work for a call center. We are going to churn their data, analyze their data, and work upon how do we visualize data, what are the KPIs we can form, what are the metrics we can form. Task 3 will be customer retention. We will learn how to increase the customer retention through our data analysis dashboard. And task 4 will be diversity and inclusion. How to include the diversity and inclusion metric in our dashboard. And you will directly get certified by PwC Switzerland through Power BI. And guys, beyond this, we have got Jobage Learning Portal as well. This is Jobage Learnings for us, as you can see. And this is where our job-oriented programs get hosted, right? And over here, guys, you're going to see that we have got bunch of mentors associated with us. I'm going to be a chief mentor, but again, in case you want to interact with other mentors, feel free to do that. We have got dedicated mobile application as well to learn from. We have got website as well to learn from. And this is a dashboard section, guys, where we are going to upskill ourselves from. All your lectures, all your modules, all your learning will be posted over here. For example, module 0 is going to be the welcome kit. Welcome kit as an introduction, how to join Discord and all. Module 1 is going to be data core concept, the fundamental semester to get into the analytics domain. Module 2, Microsoft Excel Complete Mastery, our first practical hands-on module. Python core concepts, our add-on skill. NumPy Pandas Matplotlib, our add-on skill. Zero to hero in SQL. How to build dashboards using Looker Studio. Tableau beginner to advanced. Power BI beginner to advanced, right? Live classes, guest lectures are also uploaded in case you missed it because of any reason. So we will have weekend live classes as well, guys. For example, if I'm going to click on it, you will see this is KPI, right? We were having a live class on key performance indicators. So this way you have interactive live class of limited students as well. And even if you miss it, you get proper recordings, proper notes, and proper data set for that live class also. Okay, with lifetime access. Along with it, again, we were having a live class on visualization techniques, which type of visual we should choose at what point of time. So again, you're going to see this way, we have proper interactive live class. I will be your mentor. Anywhere you are stuck, I'm going to guide you and assist you and help you over here. Okay. Along with this, guys, you get proper notes and data sets over here as well. You get guest sessions as well. So I invite a lot of guests as a part of this program. For example, I'm inviting Anubhav Walia over here, who is a senior consultant in Deloitte, sharing his experience, what kind of work he do, what kind of skill sets he possess. He has experience of more than 7 years into the data analytics domain in Deloitte. So this way you can build a professional network for you as well. Okay. I invite Priyansha Dubey from EY, Mahindra from ZS, and so on. And guys, talking about the curriculum, you will see just for Power BI. Today we learned Power BI, right? So just for Power BI, you will see 25 hours of learning is posted just for Power BI in 161 plus lectures. That is how extensive our learning is going to be over here. Okay. So again, introduction sessions will be there. Then transforming your data in Power BI, merging and appending queries in Power BI. Then we have got adding new columns, establishing relationship among Power BI tables, DAX calculations, calculated columns, statistical functions, and whatnot. There is no end to that. So end-to-end learning in Power BI we are going to do. We are going to build multiple projects as well as a part of it. Along with this, guys, I would like to tell you that around 33 students have booked their seats as a part of this program. 33 students have reserved their seats under a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST, or in a booking amount of 1,100. Both ways you can do that, whether it is one shot payment or whether it is a booking amount. Last 2 seats are remaining under scholarship amount. Total 7 seats are remaining over here. Okay. Last 2 seats are remaining under scholarship amount. Total 7 seats are remaining over here. All right. Okay. Now let me check the students who have reserved their seats. All right. So we have got over here Ishan Oberoi, Varun Nair, Milind Lokande. We have got Meenakshi Mehta. Welcome to this program, guys. Proper batch is going to get formed by 15th. Once you reserve your seat, your name will appear in this counter and you will get instant email confirmation also. So again, thank you so much for enrolling, guys. We are going to have proper batch formation by 15th itself. Okay. Under scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST, or in a booking amount of 1,100 for the top 35 students over here. So 2 seats are remaining for the scholarship amount. All right. So this is JobArt Learnings, guys. And over here, we have got premium tools as well. For example, Build My Free Resume. This is a premium tool which is built by the team of JobArt for JobArt Learning students. Let me just quickly check what is the issue. Okay, is my internet working fine? Okay, let me just quickly report it to the team if this is on maintenance or is there an issue. Okay. All right, let me just quickly check it, guys, in some time about this resume building platform. But I just want to tell you that we have got a free resume builder platform over here, which will give you ATS friendly resume templates, right? And with the help of those templates, you can build a resume for yourself. And then we have dedicated discussions, right, on your resume as well. For example, over here, you're going to see I set up one-to-one calls as well with my students, right, to discuss about their a resume on one-to-one basis as well. So for example, you're going to see over here, this is the calendar table. And if you will see, I have one-to-one discussions with Roshni, right? Again, we are having mock interviews, one-to-one discussion with Fanish, right? Discussing about his resume and job profiles. So again, you get one-to-one discussions as well with me on my Google Meet portal once we complete the learning, build a strong resume for ourselves and so on, right? Along with this, guys, this tool, this resume building tool, once it is up, I will show you in few minutes. Okay, this is worth 2499 and it will be provided as a bonus to all our students over here. Okay. Okay. All right. Along with this, guys, we have got LinkedIn Optimizer as well. This is also a premium tool which is built by the team of JobArt for JobArt learning students. And this is where it will scrap all your data from your LinkedIn profile and it will give you recommendation that what are the issues in your LinkedIn profile. How can you improve your LinkedIn profile from here? Right? What are the issues in your headline section, in your education section, in your summary section? This tool is worth 3499. It will be provided as a bonus again. So optimize your LinkedIn profile. It will directly take you to the LinkedIn portal. Both the portals are down for maintenance for 30 minutes. It will be back and then I'll be showing you again at 5:30. They will be up. Okay. As informed by the team. So these are premium tools, guys, that you will be getting as a part of this program at no extra cost. Okay. Along with this, we have got the actual worth of this particular program, guys. If you're going to see over here in this, uh, okay, let me just quickly type in some random lead. Okay, this is a program which is listed on our website also. It is not like only webinar students can enroll, but you see on the website, it is listed at 24,999 plus GST for the rest of the students over here who is not a part of the scholarship amount batch. Okay. So actual investment in this program is 25K plus GST, but for the CSR school students, right? For the top 35 students, you will be getting it at a flat scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Both ways you can reserve your seat over here. Okay. Along with this, any other question, guys, you want to ask, you can feel free to ask it. Feel free to post your question. More than happy to guide you and assist you over here. Okay. Swarna Lakshmi, I already answered that. Let me just type in as well. Okay. All right, guys. Along with this, guys, we have got our interview portals also. For example, this is the interview port. This is the first of all, jobage.com portal. It has been ranked as one of the best job portal operating in the country right now by Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is the external regulating website who ranks the portals, who rank the portfolios. And you're going to see it has ranked jobage.com as one of the best job portal operating in the country right now. It is our parent firm as well. It has ranked jobage.com as one of the top 5 job portals operating in the country right now. Okay, and you're going to see that jobage.com is our parent firm as well. So we are going to get dedicated job assistance from jobage.com as a part of this program. Along with this, guys, over here, jobage.com run massive placement drives also. For example, if I write Jobage massive placement drives, so we run massive placement drives on our own website as well. We run massive placement drives on our own websites again. We run placement drives on our LinkedIn drives as well, right? For example, freshers and job seekers get up. It's a virtual placement drive which is going to get started. So right now we are in phase 5, right from 0 years of experience to 10 plus years of experience. We are hiring in all the domain. So this way we run massive placement drive for our students as well that you will be a part of. So it's an entire ecosystem, guys, that you will be enrolling in. For example, our resume portal, our job portal, our LinkedIn portal, our learning portal, our virtual internship portal, right? So everything is embedded under 6,999 plus GST as a part of this particular program over here. Okay. I hope you understand that. Along with this, guys, Jobage is an entire group, right? It's not just a learning portal. We have got bunch of platforms, bunch of services integrated under Jobage group. For example, we have got jobage.com, our job portal over here. We have got Jobage Learnings, our learning portal. Online Ishan, our collaboration, CSR collaboration with them. Then we have got our media arm, Jobage Stories over here. Then, of course, we have got LinkedIn Optimizer, Resume Builder, Interview Preparation Toolkit, Consulting.io, and so on. And we run, social drives as well. For example, if I'm going to show you Jobage Cares, so some amount that you are going to spend in yourself, so we spend back to the society, and we run massive drives across cleaning rivers, right? And sponsoring education for students, feeding animals, spreading social awareness, and feeding dogs, and again so on, right? So this way we have got Jobage Cares as well. So some amount that you're going to spend is going to be used in Jobage Cares community also. Okay, and this is our Discord portal, guys. This is where students interact with me. This is where they can ask any question to me, and I am more than happy to assist them and guide them on my dedicated Discord portal over here. Okay, so for example, again, Nelsi, we have got Devara, Chitra, Renner, Momina, Monica, right? We have got Shubha, Priya, Sonam. So all these are the students, guys, who have one-to-one discussions with me on my Discord portal, and I am more than happy to guide them and assist them over here, right? For example, I was having a discussion recently with Roshni, right? As I told you. So you're going to see, I am discussing and guiding her that how she has to build a great resume, right? So over here, you're going to see that again, multiple discussions we have had, right? For example, over here, portfolio link should be at the top with icons. We are reviewing her resume on a one-to-one call, and then I'm summarizing what you have to do. Data analysis with 1 year experience and leveraging skills like SQL, Excel, Power BI, so on. Skills include like Rakshit resume, so you get resume templates as well from which you can refer your skills. Again, actionable insights should be there. Include Power BI project as your repository project. Include top two EDA projects, two analytical case study based projects, one Tableau project. Follow Pradeep M pattern, right? What are the KPIs that you reported? You have to mention what was the final conclusion, what were the tools that you used. In virtual internship, also you follow the same format, right? In a single line, include all the skills and embed the links. Power BI link, Tableau link, SQL link, and in your achievement mention silver badge holder in SQL, silver badge holder in Python, and so on. This way, guys, you get proper instructions, proper mentorship on each and everything. Again, we had one more discussion where I guided her. Publish Power BI dashboard on Novi Pro. Link for market basket analysis is missing, right? Along with this, you're going to see we have got silver badge holder, language section not needed, and so on, right? Maximum 2 lines with 2 bullet points and so on. Okay, so this way you get proper instructions over here as well on how to build each and every portfolio for yourself. All right, so I hope you understand that. Along with this, guys, I would also like to quickly tell you that around 34 seats have been booked. So one more seat has been reserved as a part of this program. So last, I would say one seat is remaining under scholarship amount, and total, I would say 6 seats are remaining over here. Okay. 34 seats have been reserved as a part of this particular program over here. One seat is remaining under scholarship amount, and total 6 seats are remaining. I would like to welcome over here Disha Pandit. Welcome to this particular program. Any other question with respect to your career you want to ask, you can ask it. More than happy to guide you and assist you over here. Okay, anything you wanted to ask, feel free to ask it, guys. One seat is remaining. That is right. One seat is remaining under scholarship amount. And yes, Ashwin, you can refer your friend as well. So, guys, I'm getting a lot of questions. Can we refer? So, in case you want to refer your friend, family, or anyone, it's pretty simple. You can go to the checkout link, enter the name of your friend, enter the email ID of your friend, and phone number of your friend. You can select any mode of payment, whether it is full amount or booking amount, and your friend's seat will be reserved over here. Okay. And guys, you both will get a referral scholarship of 2000 rupees. For example, we have got over here, right? Let's suppose Vinay refers his friend, let's suppose Ajay, right? So Vinay and Ajay, both of you will get 2000 rupees referral scholarship on each successful referral. So this program will not cost you 6999. It will cost you 4999 plus GST. That's it. Okay. The referral bonus will be given straight in your bank account after orientation. Okay. Referral bonus will be given straight in your bank account after orientation of this particular program. All right. So this way we have got referral bonus schemes as well. Okay. So on each successful referral, you get 2000 rupees referral bonus as a part of this particular program. Guys, last one seat is remaining. Any question you want to ask with respect to your career, you can ask it. I am more than happy to guide you. Yes, you can get into life science analytics as well, Bala, right? Life science analytics is also a good field for you if you're from microbiology background. Okay. So I hope you understand that. I will be back in a minute, guys, and then we will discuss about some projects. We will discuss about the placement assistance documents that you get and resume building documents that you get over there. Okay. So I'll be back in a minute. Any question you want to ask, feel free to post it.